Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are around the world, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. Great to have you here once again. Welcome, welcome, welcome all. We are here every morning for the opening bell and every evening for the closing bell. Every weekday, of course, we won't be here on Monday as it's a bank holiday, or as they say in America, a Labor Day. Welcome. What we do here is quite unique compared to many other channels. We actually trade and share our real money live on the screen with you. We're not financial advisors. We're not here to sell you anything. We're here just to do our thing, and you watch and join in. And we have a wonderful community sharing their experiences, helping you trade, giving you tips and tricks, what they're actually doing with their real money. They're not hyping anything up or making anything up. It's real and it's live every weekday on the opening and closing bell. If you're over there on TikTok, click the profile right here. You'll find my icon. Click the icon and then join us by clicking the Instagram logo on my profile, and behind that you'll see a YouTube link. If you click that, you then can join us live here on YouTube. All right, fantastic, great stuff. Okay, let's kick off the show. If it's your very first time, consider subscribing and ringing the bell. I see we've got my team already here in the chat. Absolutely fantastic. Once you've subscribed and rung the bell, give us a whopping great thumbs up. And there we go. Give us a thumbs up, and that helps for us to grow on YouTube. If you're over there on TikTok, tap the screen as fast as you can. If you're watching me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, come and join us on YouTube. You get the far best experience because you can see the screens we're trading on either side of the phone. TikTok don't allow me to do that. All right, let's get straight into my profile and see where we are. Here we go. Here's my profile. I am $50,887. And rising. Let's have a look on the live screen. We are just down 0.09 in the last hour, but on the day I'm up 0.33, and I'm pretty confident the main reason for that will be Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin is now nearly 51,000. Bitcoin is absolutely exploding, as exactly as we predicted it to do. And I would expect it to hit 100,000 by the end of this year. Okay, Leah's here. Happy Friday. Fantastic. Let me share your screen. Let me share your comment on the screen. Hello, are you crypto? Yeah, we are. We do trade Bitcoin and crypto coin as well. Yes, so if you want to see it on the screen, just click the profile right here, and then you will find my icon. Click the icon there, and then you'll find the Instagram icon on my homepage on TikTok, and then you'll find the YouTube link. Come over, and then you'll see the screens that we're trading. Yes, we are trading Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is just about to hit 51,000. I sold $1,000 of it when it reached 50,000. I will reassess today and have a look. Never be afraid to take profits. It's very, very important that, and having a diverse portfolio. So here we are, 50,885. My overall portfolio is now up 12.13, nearly at an all-time record. I currently have full send that I need to change into Acredix. Do you have any advice, please? We have a wonderful technical analysis team in YouTube right now. If you come over there, you can ask that question, and they will jump in and help you and ask and answer any questions that you may have. So click the profile here, find my icon, find the Instagram icon on the homepage of TikTok, and right behind there is my YouTube link. You can't miss it, and then you'll see my trading screens. Right, back to my crowd. Let's go through it. Amazon is up 0.26 today. We've got 26 minutes before the bell goes. Johnson & Johnson is up 0.07. Tesla is up 0.28. Remember, we expect to see a bit of a boost today before a sell-off for the weekend. So we are looking to see the stocks rise and then sell off. That's what Kenneth Brunk, one of our technical guys, predicted today could happen. So we'll see what happens. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my real money, what I do. And I've grown a portfolio from 5,000 to 51,000 in 4 months. So we've done pretty well. Right, Apple is up 0.36. Coca-Cola is up 0.09. AT&T just down very slightly, 0.07. Disney is flat at the moment, nothing there at the moment. Pre-market on the ETF Vanguard VTI is up 0.27. Google is up 0.38. Virgin Galactic is down but rising slightly. Yes, we are down 20% on that. So that's where a lot of my money has gone right now. Ford Motor Company is up 0.19. Rolls-Royce is down 2%. Just over. Robinhood is up 0.38%. That's good. All my friends over there on TikTok, if you want to answer those questions, tap on the screen. It brings your comment to the top. And if you want the best experience, click here, the profile. You find my icon, and then behind the Instagram icon is the YouTube link, and you can find us on YouTube. All my team are in the live chat, helping and supporting everyone. And what we do here is we share our real money, our real trades. We support everyone, and we all help and share each other. So there you go. Earning money through online investment is profitable. You ask me how, and I will explain. Educator, there we go. Well, if you want to come and join us, we'll show you on the screen exactly what we're doing. We're not trying to sell you anything. We're not any one of those people on TikTok and YouTube who are trying to sell you anything and sell schemes and all that stuff. This is my real money. If you come on and see now, you'll see my real money, my real trades, and you'll see exactly what I'm doing. For real. Okay, Riskified is flat today. Lucid Group is up 0.32. There we go. Ocugen is up 0.39. Harpoon Therapeutics is flat at the moment. Advaxis is up 14% this morning. Advaxis, everybody, is up 14% this morning. Absolutely fantastic. We've just made, right, okay, I'm up 20% on Advaxis. What's happening here? Let's have a look at Advaxis. Right. I've just made $90 on a $500 investment. This is pre-market hours. This is very, very good, 20%. Right, let's have a look. Is there a sell there? That's a good Ethereum, very, very good. Yeah, I haven't got any Ethereum, but I do have $10,000 worth of Bitcoin. The two of those, everything else is just a joke and a meme coin and whatever. But Bitcoin is the one I'm mainly in. In fact, the only one I'm in. It's the currency of the internet, as far as I'm concerned. Advaxis, look, everybody in my team, have you noticed we're up here this morning, 20%. Hell of a boost there this morning. That's something we need to watch. Pfizer is up 0.25%. Bitcoin is now up 1.21% in the last hour. It's up nearly 2.5% now on the day, approaching 51,000. Carnival, we're looking for a re-entry point. It's flat at the moment. It's just up from where I sold it. NRXP, I'm currently out of that one. It's down. It's down. It's down at to 1.46, and maybe a point to get in. So buy in on Advaxis and keep profit in stock. I've already got Advaxis. I've got Advaxis, Martin. I'm looking at NRXP. It's dropped down 1.5%. Where did I sell out? Where did I sell? I sold out at 15.95, so it's still higher than I was. So I'm not going to buy it just yet. But I've just noted Advaxis, 14%. 14% opening this morning, absolutely sensational. I've made 20% profit on that. I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking, should I sell that now, because that's a good profit, 20% profit. I'm very happy with that. What's your thoughts, Martin? Advaxis, we expect Advaxis to go up a lot, but 20% is a damn good profit, isn't it? Wish Kenneth was in here. What does Kenneth think about that? Should we sell that? What do you think? Purple Kitty. Hello, Purple Kitty. Purple Kitty is new to our chat. Hello, Purple Kitty. Okay, we welcome. Did you just come over from TikTok? I'd like to introduce you to the team. This is Purple Kitty. All my team say hello to Purple Kitty. I think she's just come across from TikTok. I'm not sure. Purple Kitty. We're brand new channel. It's our 5th week here. 5 weeks old today we are, and we're just literally 2 subscribers away from 1,000 subscribers in 5 weeks. Please click subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. Help us grow our channel. What we do here every day is support each other in our live trades, and we'll share all our screens with you right now. So give us a thumbs up. We're on 9 right now. See if we can get to 10. Our record is 27, sorry, set the other day. And our average is 15. We're a brand new channel. I spoke to you about the full send on TikTok. Okay, ask away. We've got our team just coming into the chat now. What is it you want to know? And please do ask us, and we will do our very best to support you and answer any questions that you might have. All right. So everyone say hello. This is Purple Kitty. We've got Martin Redding in the chat right now, and Leah. We're just starting the show. We'll get our team in just in a couple of minutes. Lord Righty, hello, good morning, Lord Righty. How are you? Welcome, welcome, welcome. What do you want to know about full send, and what is it? And we'll do our very best to support you here on the Day Trader. All right, Advaxis up 14%. Look at this, guys. Huge pop this morning. This is my portfolio, Purple Kitty. This is what I have. 50,888, grew this from 5,000. My buying power here is 37. So I heard that full send is coming to an end and needs to be transferred to Archidix, but I'm not sure how to do it. All right, well, our technical analysis guy, Kenneth Brunk, will be here in just a moment. Oh, we've got 10 likes now, which means the crowd's all here. Thank you very much, and welcome, everybody. Have we got anybody in the chat already? I know it's early, but have we got anybody in the chat that can answer Purple Kitty's question? I know Kenneth hasn't joined us yet, but in a few minutes' time, we'll have someone hopefully to answer your question. So bear with us a minute, and we'll do some research behind the scenes right now for you as well. So we want to support you and learn with you as well. So, right, Amazon is up 0.28. We're looking at Vaxis this morning, 13.5%. That's hell of a pop this morning. Which way is that going to go? Let me think. I'm thinking of right. Sell Advaxis. Okay, I'm going to sell all of that. Sell all. Set a limit price. Yeah, the limit price right now is so I'll sell it at 50. I'll sell it at 50. Sell it at 50. Yeah. Sell it at 50. So just drop that in there. Limit price 50. Limit price 0.50 cents, just in case. All my shares, good for the day. Review order and sell. Your order is complete, done. I just sold Advaxis, all right, at 50. What did I sell it for? I just sold it at 52, and I bought it at 44. There we go. I bought it at 44. Okay, so I just made a profit there on Advaxis. We might see it go down, might see it go up. That doesn't matter. At 20%. If you are up, grab it. Yes, indeed. I just made 20%. Now then. That was a good trade. Bill is just here. Purple Kitty is here. She's asked a question. Bill is from Canada. Purple Kitty, where are you from? We've got 11 likes now. Fantastic. We've got a new member this morning. Everyone say hello to Purple Kitty. Where are you from, Purple Kitty? Keep the cash over the weekend, my opinion. Yeah, that's a good move, I reckon. Keep the cash over the weekend. We've got from the UK. Oh, wonderful. I'm from Cornwall in the UK, now based here in Texas. Martin Redding is from Texas, is from America. Bill is from Canada. Leah is from Texas. And we've got some friends from Italy about to join us as well. Purple Kitty is from the UK. What part of the UK are you from? She's asked a question, by the way. I'm going to put her question on the screen so we can find some information for her. So I heard that Full Send is coming to an end and needs to be transferred to Archidix, but I'm not sure how to do it. So we, Cornwall, wow, very beautiful. Thank you very much. I'm from Wales, living in England now. Yep, I've got friends in Wales, all over the place. Worldwide audience. I am in Illinois, Chicago, burbs. We've got a new member to the team, everybody. It's Purple Kitty. She's from the UK, and she's got a question, and she wants to get an answer if she can. We got 14 minutes before the show, the bell goes, to see what happens to my Advaxis. I made 20% there. Let's have a look. J Killers 420 is giving us a big round of applause. Thank you very much indeed. If you'd like to join us on YouTube, it's a much better place to be. You can see our trading screens. Kitty just came over from YouTube. You just click the profile right here. You'll find my icon. You click the icon. When you click the icon, you will be on the homepage of TikTok. Right behind the Instagram icon, you will see my YouTube link. And then that's where we are right now. We've got a team coming in to support people, and we are here trading on our live screens. You can't see that on TikTok. Right, Advaxis, look at this. We're waiting to see what happens here right now. This is a definite sell. I've just sold my position, looking to see if it drops. It may go even higher, of course. I am expecting it to go higher, but that's okay. I'll buy back in again. Right, we are now at 50,906. That is approaching an all-time high. Buying power now. I've got 1,200 bucks in buying power. That's good. I'm trying to make. Whoops-a-daisy. Just came out of my own portfolio. There we go. That's better. Right. What we're trying to do this morning is make some profits on a few things and then get back in as we expect things to drop. Right, Amazon is up 0.26, Johnson & Johnson is up, Tesla is up 0.28, Facebook is up 0.19. We've got just 12 more minutes to go before the bell goes. Coca-Cola as well is up 0.09. Morning, Dr. Nathan Smith. Hey, we've got a new member this morning. It's Purple Kitty. I'm assuming you're a female. I don't know. A Purple Kitty, it sounds feminine. I apologise if you're a guy. We got a new person today, just joined us from the UK, and they've got a question. I left it on the screen if anyone knows the answer. She's just joined us from England. In fact, I think she's in Wales. Originally from Wales, but now in England. And she's just joined. Yes, female. Thank you very much. I guessed possibly was. Dr. Nathan Smith is from the US. If you know the answer to that question, help Purple Kitty out and smash the like button. It's wonderful to have a new member this morning to our team. Happy birthday to me. Is it your birthday? Hang on a minute. It's your birthday. Hang on a second then. If it's your birthday, we've got to do something for you, right? Hang on. Okay, if it's your birthday, we've got to do something for our friend Dr. Nathan Smith. All right, so let's cue the lights. Let's do something special for Dr. Nathan Smith. It's his birthday, and we've got to celebrate that. So we'll do that right now. You ready? Let's go over to the piano. 1 second. Here we go. Okay, can you hear me? All right, let me bring this up a minute. I wasn't prepared for this, but we're gonna have to do it now. All right, here we go. This is especially for Dr. Nathan Smith because it's his birthday. Okay, there we go. Are we good? Everyone hear me? All right, for Dr. Nathan Smith, let's put my hat on. He's live on the show. It's his birthday today. So let's do this for Dr. Nathan Smith. All right. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Dr. Nathan Smith. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Dr. Nathan Smith. That was especially for you. Fantastic. We gotta Got to do that on your birthday, right? Very, very important. Right, let me get back to the show. Special for you, Dr. Nathan Smith. Happy birthday. Nice one. All right. Let's go over here again now. That was for Dr. Nathan Smith. I just realised my friends on TikTok, they were getting the back of my head for that. That was a bit weird for them, but never mind. That's why you need to be over on YouTube, right? Okay. Wow, amazing playing. Thank you very much, Kitty. In 2002, Sir Elton John named me World Piano Man, and every afternoon today, every weekday, I do a music show. And if you got a request, come and join me, and I'll sing you some songs from. I've got 14 different voices I can do, from Andre Bocelli to Elton John, in 7 different languages and 650 songs. So what's your favourite music? I'll sing you a song. Right, let's get back to business. We're looking at Advaxis right now because we had a huge pop this morning. Right, there we go. It's dropping back. That's what I'd love to see this morning is it to drop back and buy back in again. So we've got just 8 minutes to go. Advaxis this morning opened up 14%. 14%. I made a profit on that. So I sold all of my Advaxis, and I'm looking to get back in again. Thank you very much, Purple Kitty, a new member from the UK. Has everybody said hello to Purple Kitty? And has everybody wished Dr. Nathan Smith a happy birthday? Happy birthday, Nathan. There we go. Let's put this message on my screen. It's my granddaughter's birthday today. She is 5. She's 5, is she? Oh, well, do you know what? What's her name? What's her name, Martin? What's her name? We got to do something. We got to do something special now. Hang on then. We got to do something special. It's her birthday as well, right? What's her name? I'll do it. Get her near the telly, and you can send it. You can share the video of me doing happy birthday for her, and then she can see it. Happy birthday to your granddaughter, Purple Kitty. Show up for Martin's show tonight. You will love it. Martina, is it on YouTube? Yes, it's where you are right now. Let me show you. Right, you're on the Day Trader. This is where you are right now, right, on the Day Trader video. This is where you are, okay? So if you scroll down, there's my Martyn Lucas show. And if you click on there, look. Hang on a minute. I'm messing myself up here. If you click on the Martyn Lucas show, there you go. You'll scroll down. Upcoming live streams here this afternoon. This will be for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 o'clock in the evening for you. This is it. Upcoming live streams live on the Martyn Lucas show. It's right underneath the Day Trader. See, it's right here. You can't miss it. All right, you can't miss it. And today, during the show, look, 995 subscribers. We could be the day we break it. Okay, let's do this very quickly. We got 5 minutes, 6 minutes before the opening bell. So let's go to the back of the studio. And let's do a special happy birthday for Martina is 5. And if she's not watching the TV right now, don't worry, because what you can do is share the video. Lovely. If I'm still awake, I will pop on. Okay, here we go. All right. Are you ready? Okay, this is for Martina. It's her birthday as well. Fantastic. Great stuff. All right. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Martina. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Martina. Happy birthday to you. Fantastic. Even Mr. Love popped in there at the end. Fantastic. Great stuff. All right. Let's get on with the show. Has anybody else got a birthday, or are we all done? Are we all done now? Has everybody had a birthday surprise? All right, fantastic. Okay, let's get on with the show. We've got 4 minutes to go, and that was a bit of fun this morning. Right, let's go back to the main trading screens, and let's have a look, because I want to see what's happening with Advaxis right now. Martin loved it. Martin Redding, you can show it later on it. It's on YouTube now. There you go. Well, he's on YouTube. He's watching it on YouTube, Bill. That's where he is. He knows it's on YouTube. He sat watching it. Just rewind it, and you can share it at that point to your daughter. Fantastic. All right. Okay. I wasn't prepared for that. I didn't have all my piano cameras on, so you couldn't see my piano and all that fancy stuff. All right. Okay. Now then, let's have a look. Some big action here. So Advaxis jumped up this morning. Many of us were in it. Oh, look at this. Lovely. Look at this. Lovely. We've got 4 minutes. 4 minutes. It's dropping back now. That was brilliant. Kenneth Brunk is here. Kenneth, we've got a new member. She's asked a question, and you just missed Dr. Nathan Smith's birthday. I did a happy birthday for him and Martina, which is the birthday of Martin Redding. And we had the happy birthday song. We had a bit of fun with that. And that was great. And I just made a trade. What happens in 4 minutes? In 4 minutes, the market opens and you'll see dramatic trading going on. Now, big news of the day. Advaxis was up 14%, Martin. I sold all my Advaxis. I made 20% profit this morning. And now we're about to... I'm hoping it's going to drop back down again and buy back in again. 34 minutes. Is that where it is? Is that where the happy birthday song started? All right. There you go. So you can send that to your Martina, your 5-year-old daughter today. Happy birthday to her. Absolutely great. All right. Okay. So here we go. Let's bring in all these. Oh, by the way, Purple Kitty has just joined us. Kenneth, welcome her from the United Kingdom. Brand new today. I think she's liked the video. She liked the video? I don't know. But, give us a thumbs up if you haven't, Purple Kitty. She asked a question, and I wonder if you know the answer. No one in the team does know the answer to this yet, so I'm hoping that you do. The question that she asked is this here. So I heard that Full Send is coming to an end and needs to be transferred to Arcadix, but I'm not sure how to do it. That was her question. It's not something I have any knowledge of, but if anybody does, yes, I've liked and subscribed. There you go. Great stuff. Right, all my team, click subscribe, ring the bell. You've all done it, and give us a great big thumbs up, because we're about to go to that magic 1,000. We've got 1.5 minutes to go before the bell. I'm looking to see Advaxis drop all the way back down again. Remember, I bought in at... I just sold at 50. I just sold at 52, and I bought in at 44. So if it drops down to 44, those are two nouns I have no idea of. I've never even heard of it. Is it a UK thing? We are researching it for you, Kitty, but no one has heard of it yet. But we are looking. Right, we've got 1 minute to go. I'm looking to see if I can get a steal with Advaxis. If Advaxis drops, I will buy... How many shares did I buy of that? I bought... So I'll buy... I bought 1,000 shares. I bought 1,000 shares at 44. Right, I'll buy 1,000. I'll buy 1,000 shares if that drops. If that drops. Advaxis is definitely about to go down. Good call escaping it. Yeah, I just... it popped as the moment the bell went, and I sold immediately. You know, 20% is a good amount. Good morning, Patricia is here. Good morning, good morning. Smash the like button. Okay, here goes the bell. Ready for Advaxis to drop. If it drops to 40, I'm going to buy 1,000 shares. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Let's clear the screens. We've got 9 seconds. There we go. This will be interesting to see what happens now. If this goes down, I'll buy 1,000 shares. Okay. And the bell is gone. There it goes down. There it goes. It just... popped again. So we'll keep an eye on it. It's going to take time. 0.48 in a few hours. All right. Thank you, Kenneth. I'm not sure. I'm a complete beginner. I was watching TikTok live and ended up buying full send, and now I've heard I have to transfer it as the coin is ending. Oh, you're talking about a crypto coin. Oh, right, okay. The only crypto coin I would touch would be Bitcoin. Everything else is a meme or a created what they call a joke coin. So I wouldn't want to use that word, but that's kind of what it is. Bitcoin is the only currency of the internet, in my opinion, and that's why the biggest investors and the biggest institutions are in this. I have a position here of $9,500. This is my position, Kitty. I'm buying all in on Bitcoin. I wouldn't be interested, and I'd be interested in Ethereum. I'm not in it, but Ethereum's good, but nothing else. Everything else is just a bit of fun, bit of crazy joke. But there you go. I can't advise you on it. I wouldn't want to advise you on it. I wouldn't even know what to do with it. It's got no basis for any future stability. It's basically anything like that is trading on trends, memes, people putting it on Reddit, making Twitter posts, whatever, that kind of thing. All right, so we've just made a really great profit on Advaxis. Advaxis are angled Hamble. Angled Dar. I can't pronounce that name. Angel Darmbler. So only Bitcoin. We got a new. How do you pronounce that? Angel Darmbler. Then you changed your mind. No. Not only not only Bitcoin. No. I like Bitcoin. Bitcoin is my main position. Absolutely. This is my position here. I bought in here an average of 33,000. As you can see, I'm up 80. It's 18% of my portfolio. I would buy Ethereum. I'm just not in it. But for me, it's all about Bitcoin. But it's a diverse portfolio. This is my real money, Angel. Grew this from 5,000 to 50, nearly 52. I've taken some profits out along the way. I keep taking money out, and it's a nice diverse portfolio. Angel, where are you from? If it's your very first time here, click subscribe, ring the bell. We're a brand new channel, and you could be famous today because we're about to go through 1,000 subscribers. It's our 5th week. We're 5 weeks old today. Give us a thumbs up. We got 14. The average is 15. And all our team, Kenneth Brunk here does technical analysis, have to transfer it into a new broker. There we go. I don't know how to say. There we go. Kenneth Brunk has done some research for you. I don't know don't know enough to say one way or the other. If the coin is being cancelled, it may be worth it to sell and buy a real coin. If the broker of your crypto is folding, but the coin is staying, you'd have to transfer it to a new broker. That's correct. Thank you, Kenneth, for that. Yeah, I mean, remember, we're not financial advisors. This is my real money, what I'm really investing in, but I wouldn't buy anything other than Bitcoin or Ethereum. I'm looking at Advaxis right now, dropping. Here we go. If this drops to 40, I'm going to buy in today. Right, let's have a look. We're making profits today. We're selling out. We're going to get back in again over the weekend. All right, I'm back on Tuesday. Put like on the video. There we go. Got 14 likes. Thanks, guys. You're very, very welcome. Amazon is dropping now. We're going to see a lot of drops, so you could take some profits today if you wanted to. If you wanted to do that and then buy back in again, if that was your feeling. I tend to do that on Ocugen. Let's have a look. That's still down. Ocugen is moving down. Harpoon Therapeutics is moving down. Advaxis is moving down. I see an opportunity to buy back in there. What does everyone think of XOS? XOS, let's take a look at it for you. XOS. XOS. Right. Oh, okay, it's just IPO'd. January this year, 2021. It's just literally July 30th. It's just dropped. This looks like something very new. Employee 1. Wow, this is has one employee and it's a $1 billion company. There you go. Your help. Thanks for your help. Right, I'm going to go down the rabbit hole of full send. Fingers crossed I come out the other end. We'll be here to support you. please join us again every weekday, Monday to Friday, the same time, opening and closing bell. Your help. See you soon. Take care, Purple. Kitty, there she goes. All right. I don't know anything about XOS. Martin, I just sent you a text. It's an image of the Vaxis chart and its trend. Thank you very much indeed for that. Right, here we go. We got a trend. Kenneth has done me a technical analysis. Hey, look, if Kenneth wasn't my friend, I'd have to pay for this. All right, there we go. This is our position here on Advaxis. Would you like to explain what we're looking at there, Kenneth? He's drawn in his lines. He can. Please, I'll share that on the screen with you. I think that's probably the best zoom, just there. And if you could just talk us through what we're looking at there, that would probably help us. Dr. Nathan Smith has asked XOS. What do we all think of that? XOS is an electric mobility company, engages in manufacturing of electric trucks. This is a new company. I've not heard of this one. Let's have a little look into it. It's new. The red line is the lower dominant trend line. The green is the upper. Okay, there we go. That's the upper trend line and the lower trend line. All right, let's come back to that in a few moments' time. Let's go back to this first of all. Dr. Nathan Smith did ask, what do we think? Good morning, guys. For those of that are interested, we are 995 subscribers. 995. Did I refresh the screen? I'm not sure I did. Did I? I thought Kitty subscribed. I don't know. Maybe she did. I thought maybe we're lower. I don't know. Right. What do we think of this? It's just opened. An opportunity to get in, guys. What do you think of this electric company? It's down 18%. It's just opened. It's up 3. I don't know. On 1 week, it's grown. There we go. It IPO'd here, look, August 19th, and it dropped and dropped and dropped. Not very exciting. It could be a good time to buy in if you possibly. XOS is an electric company, engages in manufacturing. I'd need to know its financials. Does anybody know any financials on XOS? It's just opened. It's just dropped. Time to get in, perhaps, if you're interested. If it drops to 40, it's like to be very serious bear position, and you wouldn't want to get it. Let's have a look. Bill's inviting me to join. Yeah, we got an invitation here from Bill to join his brokerage. Get some free shares if you want to get more free shares from Bill. Everyone's doing that now. We're all getting free shares of each other. I love it. The red line is the lower dominant trend line. The green is the upper. See how the price is riding the lower, then spikes up. If it forms a pennant, this is the classic formation. If it drops to 40, it'll likely be very serious bear position, and you wouldn't want to get it. Let's have a look. Let's go back to Advaxis. Let's see where it's going. It's dropping again. Remember, I just sold it. I did a good play this morning. Remember, always take profits. If you're up 20%, you might go, yeah, but what if it keeps on going? Don't worry about that. If you're up 20%, you're up 20%. If you put money in the bank, what do you make? 0.5%. If you're up, you're up. Don't get greedy. Don't fear of missing out. Don't worry about FOMO. Don't worry about any of that stuff. Thank you very much, Kenneth, for the chart there. Kenneth is suggesting if it drops to 40, it'll likely be very serious bear position, and you wouldn't want to get it. That's Kenneth's position. So there we go. If it drops to 40, I wouldn't want to get it. That's what he's saying. We shall keep an eye on it. Pfizer is dropping. We've got some bargains to be had here, folks, if you're in certain stocks, of course. We're expecting this sell-off today. Bitcoin is approaching 51,000, which is what's driving my portfolio right now. Up 0.64 this morning. What do you think of XOS? Anybody have any feelings on XOS? Amazon is dropping. Bit of a sale if you want to get into some more Amazon right now. 0.5%. I think I'd wait a bit more. Johnson & Johnson down slightly. Tesla down slightly. But these are still very high stocks. VIXY is up 2%, expecting a downturn also. Okay, so if VIXY is expecting a downturn, then we'd expect this to all go up, right? So we could make some quick profits this morning, some day trading. Things are going down, and then buy back in again. Some drops here, some bargains to be had. If it follows pattern, it'll drop to 48, then go up to around 56, then come back down and back and forth until it decides which way it's going to break. There we go. If it follows pattern, it'll drop to 48, then go up to around 56. All right, let's have a look at it. Let's see what it's doing. Advaxis. So we could be in for a nice little day with this here. Pfizer is down. If you're into Pfizer, get yourself a bargain right now. Carnival, right. I want to get back into Carnival at some point. Remember, I sold out at 23.98, if I remember correctly. Yeah, 23.92. So anything now is a good time for me to re-enter. NRXP, I was right to sell. Yesterday, I was right again. I sold on this one, and we're down today. So what do we think? NRXP, time to get back in again. We've got a bit of a dip right now. Drass isn't in the house. I hope he sold and is now looking to re-enter. I don't know what he did. Let's have a look at the position here. Market sell. I bought at 15.60, sold at 15.95. So 15.60. If I can get down to there again, I'll re-enter. I'm not trading today because I will be on the road. So good luck today, everyone. I am ready for the long weekend. Indeed, I am indeed also ready for the long weekend. On Tuesday, we're not here Monday. We're back on Tuesday. And we have a new format on Tuesday, as suggested by Clust. We are going to be looking at investigating new stocks. I'm hopefully going to be working with Kenneth on this, where we can put these, the new stock on Facebook, and we can investigate it, and we can study a new stock every day as well. So we're building in new features to the show as suggested by you. So there we go. All right. So I won't be here on Monday, but I will be here Monday with the Drive Home show. We'll still do the music. Got to have music every day, right? Just because we're not buying and selling shares. Good morning, everyone. John Brunette's here. Good morning. We got a couple of new people here this morning. And we're on 995 subscribers now. 5 away from that 1,000. We had 2 new people come in today. Absolutely wonderful. And there we go. XOS. We're looking at XOS this morning, dropping back a little bit. Advaxis, we made some money this morning on Advaxis. It popped up 14%. I sold all my shares. And then we're looking for a re-entry point as well. Good morning. And of course, also NRXP. NRXP, I sold all my NRXP and I'm looking to re-enter. Morning, John. I wouldn't consider buying NRXP till sometime next week. Thank you for that top tip. Martin, Kenneth, appreciate it. I've been making profits all over the place. Good morning to you. If you're first time here, please smash the like button. We had a record the other day with 27 likes. There we go. We're not going to be here on Monday. Sorry, this is the last show now until Tuesday morning. Beg your pardon. We've got the closing bell today, of course. By the way, before I go, I put up the post on LADR. Probably will buy a little more on Tuesday. Thank you very much for sharing that post, Martin. I saw that and appreciated it. Martin has put a post, of course, on the Facebook group and page. If you've not checked it out, here is the Facebook group in the chat. It's all the links are also below all the videos in the description of these videos. All the links to everything. All right. Okay, let me put that down there for you. All right, there's the Facebook page and group. All right, we got 14 likes. Smash the like button. All right, NRXP, looking at it. I'm looking to get back in if it drops more. Advaxis as well. I'm looking to buy back in if it drops more. Ken is suggesting if it goes below 40, I wouldn't, because it'll probably keep going down, but we'll see. Martin, that was a nice recommendation. Thanks. Martin, that was a nice recommendation. What did I say something? Did I? I don't know what that was. What did I? Sometimes these chats come out of context and I don't know what's going on. Thank you, Martina. Thank you for Martina. I will show it to her later. Wonderful. Happy birthday. Pardon, Martin. Oh, the other Martin. Thank you. I was thinking, what have I done? Yes, it was very good. And we will be reading up on that later on as well. All right, so let's have a look. XOS is taking a bit of a dive. What do we think about this? We were asked a question by I think Dr. Smith asked us about XOS. Who was it? Someone asked us about it. Bye bye for now. Take care, Martin. It's auto corrupted it to mine. Yes. So, what do we think? Kenneth, you're the man for this. XOS. Are you in it, Doctor? Are you in it? Let me look. There we go. Let me look. Happy birthday to Martina. There we go. Wonderful stuff. Yeah, are you in this one? It's up 10% on the week, but that's all it's done. So it opened here. It's open. It's crashed down, and now we're starting to move. Maybe there's an opportunity here. Bentley time, listening as I go. Meow. There goes the dog. I bought 5 shares. All right. Just a lucky punt, right? That's not a bad idea. When you see someone like this, you think, oh, I'll buy 5 shares, you know. Do you know, I'm going to support our friend here. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that. I like the idea. It's an electric company, right? Shares. I'm going to buy some shares. Here we go. I'm going to support our friend Dr. Nathan Smith here. I'm going to make the shares go up. I'll buy shares. I'll invest in. How many shares am I going to buy? I'll buy 50 shares. There we go. Review order. Buy. Done. There you go. I've just bought 50 shares of that to help support Dr. Nathan Smith, right? Because if we all buy it, the shares will go up. That's called market manipulation. That's what apparently Kenneth told me yesterday is illegal. If we all buy XOS, it will go up. Apparently. Right. Some sell-offs here this morning. If we see a green spike in a minute, that was me, by the way. All right. Okay. So let's have a look at it. So since it opened here, it trended down, and then I bought here. Okay, I bought 50 shares. I like anything electric. I support that. We'll have a little look. We're watching it. This is a new company, XOS. It's got 1 employee. That drives me. That's like, wow. 1 employee. I need to learn more about it. I just wanted to support Dr. Smith. The company was founded by Dakota Seminar. We're just keeping our eye on it. We'll see what happens. So, Martin's having a bit of a right. From a chart analysis view, I'd wait to see what it does on the next pullback. I do remember playing with it last year, and I think my wife made some money with it, but we didn't stick around. There we go. This is Kenneth's opinion on XOS. There we go. I just bought a little bit just to support Martin to see if I could bounce the stock. All right, and as you can see, I'm down. Not good timing. The moment I bought, it dropped 2%. So that wasn't good timing, was it? Couldn't have been worse, actually. There we go. Advaxis is just sitting there, not doing very much at the minute. Remember, I made some money this morning with Advaxis. Pfizer is down. I am looking to hold these new EV stocks because of the potential. Yeah, absolutely. Always good. Nearly 51 now on Bitcoin. Just dropped back slightly in the last few moments, but all good. Carnival, we're looking for an opportunity to get into Carnival. It's not there yet. Lucid is up today. I'm John Brunette. We got the cats in. That's for Bill and his dog Bentley. He's taking the dog a walk, so we thought we'd bring that in. There we go. So we're looking at a few things here. XOS, there we go. It's just now jumped up. So it's moving around a little bit this morning. XOS is very low volume stock too, so that's something to keep in mind. Indeed, yeah, you can get stuck with it for a while, but let's see what happens on it. I'm keeping my eye on it. Advaxis still there. Harpoon still down. Not going to buy any more of that. Ocugen down 10% today. Ocugen. Down 10%. Might wait for it to go a bit lower. Riskify up nearly 6% today. Riskify doing very, very well, guys. This is a really good play. I got in on the IPO with this one. Really, really good. I'm up 70%. That's the highest percentage I've ever had. Very, very happy with that. I'm going to keep that going for a while. I got an email from I got the hotline here. Hotline Bill. This is this is Bill's dog Bentley. He's going, "Oh, I'm going for a walk." This is where Bentley lives. He lives out in the garage somewhere next to the lawnmower. There we go. Look at him. Oh, Bentley, can I go out for a walk? I want to go for a walk. Take me for a bloody walk. I want to go for a walk. There we goes. So he's off out for a walk now with Bill. And Bill's got his electric scooter. Is that right? Isn't that right, Bill? You get around on an electric scooter. So you should be interested in this XOS then. Possibly. I don't know. Let's have a look at it. Right. Amazon down with a lovely rabbit and his owners, Chaz and Dave. I'll do some Chaz and Dave. I'll do some Chaz and Dave for you in the show this afternoon. With a lovely rabbit and his owners. I'll do some Chaz and Dave for you. Right, Johnson looking down. All right, let's have a look. Go across all the shares this morning. What's everyone else doing? Some bargains to be had here this morning, but some stocks down. What's my buying power after I just bought that? Let me have a little quick look. Opening a new link. I don't know why I always read that out to you. I always read out to you what I'm doing. Opening a new link. All right, okay. My buying power is $900. Yeah, I got some money there. Keeping an eye on that one. Advaxis now is moving up. I've got a good feeling about Avaxis. I just want to. I made some money on it. I want to get back in again. But there's no point getting back in at 52. That's what I just sold at. Pfizer's moving down. Not a big enough drop there. Bitcoin, Carnival down slightly. Come on, let's see some drops here today. NRXP Pharmaceuticals, we're down 4% now. NRXP down 4%, just about 4%. I sold it at 15.95. I bought in originally at 15.60. So I want to get down to below 15 would be nice. Keeping an eye on all of these. Pfizer's moving down. Possibly a bargain to be had there if you're interested in that. There's Bill Scooter, look. This is how Bill gets around, look. He's brilliant, isn't he? So there we go. You should be interested in this XOS perhaps then. What is your talking about that? What is your position on space today? How are you doing? And how am I doing as well? It's down quite a bit today. There we go. There's Virgin Galactic down 21%. I'm down 21%, down 4% overall. Right. I'm going to buy... I'm going to buy some shares of Virgin. Buy shares. I'm going to buy 20. I'm going to buy 20 shares. We're down. They're down there today. Review order. Buy. Done. I just bought 20 shares of Virgin because we're down 22%, so I can lower my averages and 25.02. Right, I'm watching that. I want to see if I can get out and get some money out of Virgin today. Right, XOS. Keeping an eye on that. So 3 trades I'm watching right now. XOS, Advaxis, and Virgin Galactic. So we've got 3 trades we could do, day trades here. XOS, if I get a pop, make some money there. Virgin Galactic, if we make some money there. And Advaxis as well. And also, we want to bring in, and one more. We want to bring in NRXP as well. NRXP is taking a dive. Opportunity there, possibly. Right. 4 shares I can watching very closely. I bought 4 more yesterday when it dipped. 14 now. Nice one. That's very good. Lower your averages, increase your opportunity of growth. Hello, Clust. Clust says hello. Welcome, 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 Clust. Clust was the guy who suggested our additional format. We're going to add that on Tuesday. We're not here on Monday, of course. On Tuesday, we'll be back and we'll be adding featured events, featured stocks of the day, learning about new stocks. We've got new features we're going to build into the show, and it was Clust's suggestion. So I want to say thank you to Clust for that. And thank you everyone, by the way, that's been watching my videos on YouTube, all the premieres that have been coming out. Thank you very much. All right, XOS, we're looking to make a bit of a profit here this morning. Virgin Galactic, we're looking to make a profit this morning. and Advaxis as well. If it drops, I'll buy back in there. If you just joined us, click subscribe, click the thumbs up button, and subscribe and ring the bell. We are just a couple away now at the airport. I hate customs. Oh dear, yeah, so do I. Stay away from that. NRXP is still dropping. Right. Kenneth is saying keep away from NRXP, possibly right now, because there's some big drops. I feel so much for Dras, one of our friends here. I hope he's sold. And we're at 17 likes now. Fantastic. This is great. If you're in the live chat, let us know you're here and tell us where you're from, because we've got more people joining the chat. I'd love to know where you're from. I agree, Clust. Where I am in SPAC email. Oh, yes. Me too, Clust. I agree. NRXP. Looking there. Advaxis. Virgin Galactic. Just waiting for something to move there. I just bought in 20 shares at 25.02. The overall portfolio today is down slightly. Yeah, everything's down slightly. I'm not benefiting from anything right now. Apple's got a great opportunity today as well. Looking for an opportunity to buy some more Apple. Rolls-Royce down slightly today. Robinhood is up slightly. Riskified is up 6%. Lucid Group up today. I'm nearly at the point of making a profit now with Lucid. Overall, where's that 10% correction? End of the day, we are expecting a correction. Yes, it's coming. Everyone, I mean, we don't know it's coming, but people are saying it's coming. Kenneth believes it's coming. I don't know. I'm not really bothered, to be perfectly honest. Doesn't really worry me in the slightest. Making profits all the time, finding opportunities. Harpoon Therapeutics, let me have a look. Over the week. Over the month. Right. I'm gonna buy what's in my buying power? What's in my buying power? For that, I got $400 in there. XOS, keeping an eye on that. Looking for a bit of a bounce there if I can. Virgin Galactic dropping a bit more. Obviously my percentage has dropped slightly because I bought some more shares. I just bought in at 20 shares at 25.02. How many shares did I buy? I bought 20. Might buy a bit more. Yep, look, it's starting to level there. Buy another 10. Shares, buy another 10 there. 10. Review order. Buy. Done. I totally called it, Martin. What did you call? What did you call? I totally called it. What did you call? What did you call, Martin? This downturn. Yeah, totally. It's an opportunity, right? Downturns are good. Downturn, movement. Remember, movement, volatility is good. Action is good. Down is just as important as up. If it just goes up all the time, you'd go, oh, I'll wait for a dip. You just keep going up and up, and you never enter anything. It doesn't work. It has to go down to go up. My Viking runes told me Odin was at fault. What the hell? What are you talking about? No idea what Martin's saying. I got $200 left. XOS. Advaxis up. Oxygen is continuing to go down, 10% now. Pfizer, bargain there. Bitcoin, down slightly, but we're all-time record at the minute. Really, really good. 60,000, by the way, is the record, so we're not far off the all-time record for a Bitcoin. Oxygen, Lucid Group, doing really well. I'm only 2.7 away now from total profit on that. 2.6. I got a feeling that could happen today. Riskified is soaring. I'm up 74% on Riskified. Look, brilliant. Robinhood down slightly. Okay. Virgin Galactic just picked up a bit. So I bought in now at 24.75. Get to 26, I'll sell some stock there. We've got 17 likes now. Thank you ever so much, everyone in the live chat. Thanks for joining us. Subscribe and ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. Let us know what you're doing right now. Odin is representative of people in power. Yeah, we are. Absolutely, we are. We've got 17 likes now, which is great. Over our average. Nice. Virgin Galactic's dropping back a little bit more. And out of boredom, they crashed the market. What metrics do you typically use? I use MACD, Mars, and RSI. Who are you asking, Clust? What metrics do you typically use? I use MACD, Mars, and RSI. Ken is the one to answer that. For me, I just study the stock. I know what I'm investing is. You and the chat. Well, for me, oh, by the way, Really nice thing. I want to share something a minute. This is from Clust. Hang on a minute. I want to share this. I think this is really, really nice. Really makes me realise why we're doing all this, right? Let me do this a minute. This is from Clust, my friend Clust, right? He took the trouble. Sorry? What? Oh, I completely forgot. I'm too late now. I've completely forgot about my water aerobics, guys. I'm completely... Anyway, I'm all confused now. Look, I wanted to share this with everybody on the screen. Look at this. I wonder if I can zoom in a minute. Look at this. This was sent yesterday by Clust on YouTube. How nice that he actually went to the trouble of, Martyn, for better or worse, I balanced my portfolio due to suggestions on your show. Now I'm diversified, aka mature trading, probably safer than all in. I blame you. I blame Mr. Brunette, Mr. Redding, and yourself. Keep up the awesome show, and I'll keep watching. And let's get to 1,000 subs. I want to thank Martyn. I want to thank Clust for taking the time to go below one of our videos and putting that lovely comment. It's really, really nice. It really means a lot. And thank you very much indeed for taking the time to do that. That's very, very nice of you. So thank you very much. And it just makes me realise what we're all doing here. We're all supporting each other. It's so important. And everything that we say, people listen to, so it's, wonderful. Thank you very much, Martyn. That was very, very nice of you. Nice comment, and very nice indeed. By the way, he's the only one who's commented on the Day Trader. All the rest of you, boo! Why haven't you put comments to the videos? Right. XOS, let me have a look right now. XOS, we're looking at a position there, just down slightly. I'm looking at doing a day trade on this. Virgin Galactic, I've bought a few shares lower this morning. So I'm seeing if I can sell a few of these, do a couple of day trades. At the moment, it's recommended as a hold, not as a buy. But then, 24, if you look at my buy in there, 24.75. So we're still going down. What's my buying power? Now my buying power is $200. Let's call it 150 to keep some money there. Thanks, Kenneth. I'll look into SAT and Fibonacci. XOS, right. It's dropped a bit more. It's down another 1%. That could have a way to go before I buy any more of that. Virgin Galactic. Advaxis hasn't given me an entry point yet. NRXP. Starting to level out perhaps. Did Kenneth, is Kenneth here? Oh, there we go. He answered it. Yes, Kenneth answered the question, what metrics do you use? And Kenneth gave this reply. Fibonacci retracements, SAR, MA and EMA, 20, 50, 200, mainly RSI, stock, RSI and a few others. There we go. That's the answer to Clust's question. What metrics do you typically use? For me, I actually feel that I'm in partnership with Kenneth. We talk on the phone. We're friends now, and I listen to what Kenneth says, what he posts on the Facebook group, what he says here, and I use his technical skills. I listen to what he says, but generally I research companies. I spread my diversity. I don't borrow money. I don't use leverage. I don't use options trading, and I just feel the market. That's basically I don't go on charts, but I listen to what I listen and take advice. So I think bringing in Kenneth's advice, Martin and John, and all of you, and everything together is what has actually controlled my portfolio. To be fair, I mean, it's like this morning I bought in because of Dr. Nathan Smith. Dr. Nathan Smith mentioned about XOS, and I bought 50 shares. Or was it something else actually? Was it no XOS? Yeah, I bought 50 shares. That's because of him, and I respect him. He's a good guy, and he's always been very supportive on the show. So I thought, right, go with that. But just a small position, and I'm looking to sell it if I can, or buy in a bit lower if it drops down considerably more. Virgin Galactic, we're just seeing a little bit of a resistance now. Might be able to sell back some of these shares I just bought, and then at the same time lower my averages. The overall portfolio is down slightly, but we're expecting big drops. If I don't drop that much, I will regard that as a good day, really. If I can make some profits to boost my losses today, I'll be quite happy. Let's see if we got closer to that 1,000. 995 subscribers. 996. 996. Very close. Right, XOS hasn't gone lower. Here's a question for you all. I want to toss $500 into something a bit longer term than I normally work with. I'd like to keep it in something high cap and not medical. Anybody want to recommend? Amazon. Amazon all the way, or Tesla. There's my suggestion. Amazon and Tesla. And I'll tell you why I say Tesla. Tesla's got huge, I believe huge potential with Tesla. I believe it'll be $3,000 a share within a couple of years. Amazon, there's so much more coming out with Amazon. They've got they're backing Rivian, the electric trucks, which they will use in their fleet. Apple also because Apple's got the new iPhone 13 coming out, which is supposedly to be satellite connected, and on top of that, the Apple Car, it will come out and it will be part of Apple stock. So I see a huge potential in Apple as well. There you go. Johnson & Johnson is 86% of the maintenance work for Amazon. Also heavy in real estate. There we go. Oh, JLL, sorry. JLL has 86% of the maintenance work for Amazon. Also heavy in real estate. There we go. So there, Amazon and Tesla, yeah, or Apple, yeah. We all agreed. There we go. That was a very quick response. Virgin Galactic, I was starting to see a little upturn there. I might be able to make a position here. I bought in at 24.75. 24.70. XOS, not dropped enough to buy more in. Don't know much about it, so that's a small little like lottery ticket. Remember, like my 1% is a lottery ticket. Don't invest more in things you don't understand. Virgin Galactic might have a little bit of a pop in a minute. Advaxis, I'm looking for a drop. It hasn't come yet. NRXP. All right. NRXP, I sold at 15.95. 15.68. How many did I sell? I sold 32. 30 shares. On the week, on the month, there might be a bit more drop. Needs to cool off. I'm down 180 bucks. You're down 180 bucks. Let's have a look. What am I down? I am down $31. I'm down $31 this morning. I regard that as really good. I regard that as really good. I got 18 likes now. Fantastic. Smash the like button if you haven't liked it, and let us know who you are if you're here with us in the chat, in the live chat. We got Ricky. Is it Rick on Wick and Weckaroo? It's Johnny Sins. How are you over there on TikTok? Do you want to see what we're trading live on the screens and talk to my technical guys and share what you're doing? Right here is a profile. Click on the profile, go to my icon. Click on my icon. You'll be on the homepage of my TikTok account. You will see the Instagram link. Click on the Instagram link. That will take you directly in. You will see, click the Instagram icon and you'll see my YouTube link. Click on the YouTube link. You'll be live in the chat with us. You can see what we're trading on here. Stocks and shares, Bitcoin. We're making money. We're sharing with each other. Come and join us. Be part of the community over here on YouTube. That's the very, very best way of doing it. All right, the very, very best way of doing it. We should get some more NRXP now. Let's have a look. NRXP now. NRXP. Let's have a look. Yeah, I was thinking about it. I sold my position. I made a profit. I sold at 15.95. It's now 15.60. I originally bought in at 15.60. This was my original buy-in. Kenneth is suggesting against it. He's saying we should let it cool down, but if you look at it, on the week. This is a big drop. It's been going up on the week. It's been, it's pretty much not. It's pretty much now where it's been for a month. Not bad. I mean, I'm trying to get it a bit lower if I can. I made some profit on it. What did I make? I made 30 cents a share times 32. What's that? 32 times 30. I made $9.60. Yeah, less tax. I mean, it's not really worth it at the moment. Not with the amount of money I'm putting in. I will wait. Yeah, I'm waiting. I want to get it around about 14. That's for me. That's where I want to go. XOS, just picking up a bit. I'm down $3 on this one. Virgin Galactic, we just saw a little bounce and drop back a bit. Let's keep our eye on that one. And Advaxis. Advaxis is starting to go down. I sold all my Advaxis this morning. We had a 14% pop. We're right up here. 14% pop. We've dropped back now. 7%. So I made a profit of a decent profit actually, and I'm looking now to get back in at Vaxis, but a little bit more. Virgin Galactic, waiting to make some money on that one. I've got $198, so $150 to spend. XOS has just had some selling. Amazon is down a third of a percent today. I just sent you a text. You should see why to wait. Okay, this is Martin. This is this is Kenneth's reason why we should wait on NRXP. Okay. Let me share the screen with everybody. This is why we should wait. Tell you what, Martin, Kenneth, we could actually do live link ups. If you wanted to talk to him about that, we could do live link ups, and you could share your screen, and you could actually be talking through it as well. If you wanted to, I'm just saying, if you wanted to, you could actually that could be a full screen. You could share that. Do you want to talk that through so we can all understand why we should consider waiting on NRXP? Let's get Martin's comments on that image right there. I'm not you don't need to be on camera, Kenneth. You don't need to be on camera at all. You could just share your screen and talk, or not even talk if you didn't want to. You could just share the screen and then chat through here. We could do a live link up with you, whether we use my link or bring you in through Zoom, and you could actually just share your screen, and you could share this, move it all around, and you could share your technical analysis if you wanted to. Just a thought. Advaxis. Okay. Look at the trend lines. See how it dropped down on that last candle. Yes, I do. I see that. See that? The last candle broke the trend line. It's at the bottom of a Fibonacci retracement zone, which is why there is buying. But I can't. But can it maintain upward momentum? There we go. I will get something set up so I can do exactly that, Martin. Thanks. Yeah, it'd be great. Yeah, we could share the screen. There you go, guys. How cool would that be? Have technical analysis from Kenneth with all his experience and knowledge coming in live to the show. We could have a live link up, and we simply share his screen, and he could talk or text over it in the live chat, whichever. That would be very, 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 very cool. So there we go. We'll work on that. We'll work on that for you. I'd like that. There you go, John. There we go. Make Kenneth a star of the show. Very nice. Okay, XOS is moving. There we go. XOS is just moving up slightly. So I'm down 0.5% on it for the minute. 50 shares of this one. Let's see where it goes. That's quite a nice little pop. Somebody must have came in and bought a serious amount. Not showing it on my extended chart, but there will be something I'm sure shortly, because that's quite a little jump there on the day. Let's keep our eye on that. Virgin Galactic now. Let's see where we're doing. We've got 18 likes. Thank you very much indeed, everyone that's liked the video. Appreciate it very much indeed. I'm very excited about that idea with Kenneth Brunk calling in. CNRXP keeps dropping. Right, NRXP, guys, here we go. Let's have a little look at it. Yeah, it's dropping more. Okay. Now then. My position was market buy. I bought in at 1560. Oh, guys, do you not feel for Dras? Do you not feel? I hope Dras sold like I did. Never be attached to the stock. He doesn't seem to be. He seems to be like tied to the stock. He loves it. Never do. I don't know. Don't ever do that. Sell it, but rebuy it. Lower your position. Work on profits. He's got like 30,000 shares or some huge number of NRXP. And we're down today 6%. I hope to God he sold before the morning, and now he could buy back in again. I would hate to think anyone, I mean, I'm not a financial advisor, right? But if you do this the way I'm doing it, you won't lose all your money. You'll always have money in cash. You'll always have an overall portfolio that's growing. You don't get greedy. You know, I don't want to hear of anyone losing everything in this show. It'd be horrible. And I don't think you need to. Yes, if you want to become a billionaire and you want to risk everything, yeah, that's, if I put all my money now on Bitcoin, yeah, I could be a billionaire. But I could lose everything. The bigger your aspirations, the bigger the risk. More vulnerable you are. But if you're just happy with a nice steady growth, making a few bucks, growing it, I mean, I think I've done really well, and I feel that I'm protected. I'm not all in over the place. Like this morning, Dr. Nathan Smith mentioned, XOS. I know nothing about it. I like the idea of electric scooters. This company could be rubbish. I don't know who it is. But I bought less than 0.5% of my portfolio. And I'm watching it and I'm looking for a quick return. I might make a couple of bucks. Then I'll get an idea of how it works and where it goes. But I really hope that DRAS hasn't got... okay, XOS, there's a lot of selling going now. Or put it in an ETF and forget about it totally. That's a lot of my stuff is in ETFs. You don't ever hear me talk about a lot of my portfolio. Look, if I go down here, stuff I never even talk about. I've got shares in all these things. SPHD. You can't see it. Hang on. There you go. These are all my dividend stocks. All right. ARK Invest, SDIV, DIV, PBW, TAN. They're all these VEU, VUG, QQQ, VOO. All these ICLN, AR, KK. All these here. These are ETFs. Look, they're all doing pretty well. Look, and I get dividends and all sorts of stuff. So I've got this backing up my portfolio all the time. Just keeping everything going, so I can afford to throw $400 at this. I can afford to do it. I don't know how. Like I say, I say DRAS has got balls of steel. He has to put all his money, thousands and thousands and tens of thousands of dollars, in one stock. You can't control, unless you work at the company and know what the company's doing, you've got no control over that. And if that suddenly drops, there's nothing you can do. And if you've put all your money in it, you can't even buy in dollar cost average on the way down. Because you've got all your money, you think, well, I've now got to sell at losses. You've got no money left. It's very risky. But, you also get very rich doing it if it works out for you. I couldn't sleep like that. That would scare the hell out of me. O'Neill, Charlie said. Charlie Doyle, hello, hello, Chada, hello. If you're over there on TikTok, what you want to do is come and join us here on YouTube, where you can see the trading screens. Click the profile right here. You'll find my icon. Click on the icon. Then you'll see the Instagram icon. Click on the Instagram icon, and right behind there you see the YouTube link. And the YouTube link will bring you right to my trading screens here with all my team here, and you will be able to see exactly what we're trading on here, and we're supporting each other. So Charlie and Chaya, I think that's right. They're my friends. Come and join us. Right. 75%. Let's read a few things here. Consider. This is what Cluss said. Consider. Or put it into an ETF and forget about it. Acorns has been extremely good for me. Aggressive on Acorns has averaged 20% return last 2 years for me. At market COVID crash, worst, it was only 10% down. Absolutely. You can do that all day long. That works. Consider Pacer ETF fund. They follow trend, and when it hits the fan, they put it into bonds and flatline. ETFs are great because, remember, good people with more education than us are monitoring your stocks. Remember, though, those very same people that are regarded as experts get it wrong all the time, because no one really knows what's about to happen. No one does. 75% of mine is in DPLS right now. Long play, it's very risky, but as for long-term risk, I don't think you could get a better opportunity. Buy at your own risk. DD required. What's DD? What is DD? What's a DPLS? What's DPLS? Clust is correct. Due diligence, right. Deep dive. Due diligence. Oh, absolutely. Someone said to me yesterday, you're making money. Wow, this is brilliant. Your portfolio has grown. Really, really good. Look, you're up like nearly 12%. Brilliant in just a few months. Absolutely brilliant. I'm going to follow you. I said, no, don't follow me, because Even if you followed me, you wouldn't end up with where I am, because 1 minute either way, either time of the trade, it's different. It's at that moment, not 5 minutes before or 5 minutes after. It's very, very different. And also, you've got different amount of money. You've got different objectives. You've got different goals. You feel differently. You understand the stocks differently. If you don't understand the stock, you get afraid. And then you'll go, oh, I'm going to sell it. It's down. And then you'll sell, and the whole thing will collapse. You can't copy someone, even if you copy them like every single trade, minute by minute. It's different. It's different. You can't do that. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. It's individual. Right, XOS starting to jump up a little bit, down 2%. I'm seeing if I can do a day trade here. Virgin Galactic still dropping back. I've lowered my average this morning a little bit. Everyone has a different trading strategy. What works for me may not work for you. Totally agree. Dark Pulse, it's over the counter right now. NASDAQ within the next year. Oh, I see. Thank you very much. Virgin Galactic still going down. A lot of these things are going to go down today, so it's an opportunity. Advaxis is still dropping back. There we go. NRXP, there we go. Got a bit of resistance now, but I want to get it. I want to get under 15. I want to get it under 15 really. So I can't really do much there with that at the minute. Amazon's on a bit of a sale right now. Johnson & Johnson down 0.3. Tesla down 0.5%. Facebook is up 0.3%. Apple is up. Coke is down slightly. AT&T, a bit of a sale today. Are you aware of Ethereum 2 and proof of stake? What do you think? What do you think it will do? I have no knowledge of it at all. I've only studied Bitcoin. I haven't studied Ethereum. I'm just all in on Bitcoin. I haven't got time to be involved in anything else. I think Ethereum is great. I think it's got huge potential. But for me, it's Bitcoin, and I don't want to give any opinion on something I don't understand or never studied. I've studied it a little bit. I see that it's got some qualities that Bitcoin has. It's not one of those crazy meme silly stocks, Dogecoin and stuff like that, which I know people have made money on, but you're basing it upon nothing. I wouldn't even get involved in it. Carnival, finally. Carnival is dropping back now. Remember, I sold out at 23.92. I bought in at 21.03. Yeah, I'd like to be able to buy in. I made about $500 if you remember, $480 on Carnival. I'd like to buy in around about 20 if I can. So I'm looking at that. I agree, John. For global warming purposes. Right, let's get one thing straight. Bitcoin, it doesn't matter what coin you are. They all use electricity. Every single one. Bitcoin can be as clean as the next one. It makes no difference at all which coin you invest in. As far as that's concerned, they all use electricity. They're all mining exactly the same. Bitcoin with the best potential and the most opportunity will have people go into it and create green mining farms. At the end of the day, it's in their best interest to do so, because they don't make any money if they pay a fortune in electricity. That's why so many mines have moved towards wind farms, or they've moved towards hydro farms. It's in their interest, and also you've got like Elon Musk who will allow it to be used for Tesla when they go greener. So Bitcoin is already going green. There are many farms that are now that have green farms, and also they've got the encouragement from big companies like Tesla to do so. And in fact, for it to be adopted on a global scale by everyone's calling for it. So everybody wants it, but it's no different than any of the other coins. They all mine on computers, and they're all doing the same thing. So, you know, and also, when people say that Bitcoin is really dirty and uses electricity, every business most businesses create pollute, and I'm all about green, as you know. Everything in this studio is on one AC outlet. Everything is green. Everything is LED. Everything is charged from a solar panel battery thing I've got down here. I'm all about that. Totally all about that. My house in England is off grid, solar panels and everything. Green is the future. Absolutely is the future. And the thing is with cryptocurrency, its only thing it does is electricity. So it can be the greenest thing of all. Whereas every other industry, whether it's, let's say your oil, you've got oil, you've got you've got chemicals, you've got physical, you're making things, you're doing things, whatever. You've got all that pollution and all that stuff you're using. Whereas Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency is just electricity. So you can literally make it completely green if you use renewable energy. It's got more potential to be more future-proof and more green-proof than any other industry. So it just gets bad press because everyone's talking about it. But in fact, other companies, doesn't matter. Apple makes all those phones, all that lithium, all that plastic, all that gold that goes in, all of that stuff. Huge pollution involved with making an iPhone. Way less than producing Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. So, at the end of the day, everyone uses something to create something. Bitcoin uses the least. It could literally be completely neutral. So that's why I'm all in. That's why the potential for Bitcoin is far greater than any other industry right now. And that's why it's my biggest part of my portfolio. Those of you who are watching me on TikTok, come over and see by clicking the profile, the icon, Instagram icon, YouTube, you'll find my link right there. That's why, look, I'm in with Bitcoin, and that's why so many countries now are adopting Bitcoin, and banks are adopting Bitcoin. Wholesale mortgage company now, you can buy a house on Bitcoin, because you could buy a house. I could my $10,000 worth of Bitcoin, when this goes to $1 million, which it could, I could buy $1 million house for $10,000. That's why I'm in Bitcoin. All right. Right. XOS is down 3%. Still waiting for something there. Can't do nothing yet. Virgin Galactic still dropping. Nothing I can do yet. Plus, no joke. What's going on here? I have a small mining operation, keeping it modest for that reason, Kenneth. Are you concerned about government intervention on Bitcoin? I agree, John, for global warming purposes. I am. Martin isn't. Yeah, I'm not. I'm not concerned about government intervention at all with Bitcoin. It's a good thing. The more they get involved, the better. More people will adopt it. It's a good thing. Klaus has a small mining farm. I had one too. It didn't make any money for me though. The cost of the electric was more than the cost of the what I was producing. You need a generator for Texas electrical infrastructure. A really good Jenny that spits black smoke. I've got you talk about a generator down here. In fact, I'll share with you. Look, you want to see this? You want to see my generator? You want to see my generator? I'll show you. My generator is phenomenal. Unleaded. Right, I'll show you a far better generator. You're all talking about gas and pollution and God knows what else. I'll show you a generator. I'll bring it in right now. Let me show you. First of all, I'll give you the link here to it. Right, so here is the link to my Amazon shop where I have my I'm going to show you it right now. Hang on, let me bring it up. Amazon. Martyn Lucas's Amazon shop. Here it is. This is my Amazon shop. Studio equipment I use. There you go. This thing here. There's my generator there. Hang on a minute. That's the battery for it. Hang on, why is it showing that one? Showing the wrong one. Why is it showing that one? This is my I don't know why it's showing that. Why is it showing that one? Ego. I don't know why it's showing that one. It's showing a smaller one. That's not the one I've got. Where is it? Have they discontinued it? Ego Power Station. Here's mine. There we go. That's the one I got. Don't know why it was coming up like that. But anyway, you can go through my link. Look, that's the one I've got. Right, all of that can be charged up from solar, and that can power my studio and everything in here for a couple of days. All right, and that's completely green, no smoke, no gas, no pollution, lasts forever. Bish bash bosh, makes no noise. It's sat right down by the side of me. Right down by the side of me. That's what I use. There you go. That's what I recommend you all get. Especially if you all go to my link, because I would earn 1% commission. It costs you absolutely nothing, but it would be very nice. This is my Amazon shop, by the way. So if you go to my Amazon shop, these are all the things in my studio. So if you want to buy any of the things that's in my studio, or if you use my link and then go on and buy something else on Amazon, I earn a small 1% commission. Doesn't cost you anything at all, but really helps me. I'll buy you a beer with the 1% commission I get. All right. Okay. Plus, nothing to worry about. I don't have 5 cents right now. I was being funny, but I will take an e-transfer. What's that? 3,000 watts ain't bad for a small one. Yeah. Yeah, it powers everything. If it's 3,000 watts, right? You might go, that's an inverter. Yeah, but it's power. It's got batteries on it, Kenneth. It'll run all day. Try that in the winter when it's cloudy. What are you talking about? Right, I've got solar in England, right? The solar goes into batteries, Tesla batteries, right? And powers the house when it's dark. Don't tell me that it doesn't work when the sun goes down, because it does. Don't tell me it doesn't work when it's cloudy, because people tell you in Texas that solar doesn't work when it's cloudy. It doesn't make a difference. When solar first came out about 20 years ago, it needed direct sunlight. Now ambient light does it just the same. It can be a cloudy day, as it is in England all the time. It's always raining, and the solar runs my house all the time. Right. I'm going to prove it to you, because everything I do on this show, I back up with facts. So I'm going to back it up with facts right now. Okay, here we go. Here is my house. Here is my house in England live right now. Right? This is my house live in England right now. Look, here is my solar. There is my solar right now. It's at the end of the day. The sun's going down, right? And I'm producing. It's cloudy. It's getting dark, but I'm still making 500 watts at the moment, right? Okay? And it all goes into batteries, and it runs the night time. There you go. And the government will pay me to produce this electric. There you go. That's the future. That's why I'm in Tesla. All right, there is that's live right now. And if you look, that's what I've actually created down the bottom. Equivalent to 159 trees. There you go. So there you go. So this thing here, this Ego Power, can be charged from solar, and it goes on the batteries and can run this studio for a couple of days for free. Cost nothing, no waste, no pollution, no cost, nothing. It's a minimum they can charge. Power cost me $50 a month. My house is free in England. It cost me nothing. In fact, the government pay me to produce as well. In an emergency, you want a stable fuel with lots of availability. Yeah, I've got all the powers in the batteries, Ken. I can find more fuel using a hose and a bucket. What are you talking about? If you get everything in the studio, right, it's not how much power you create, it's how efficient the equipment that you use. If all your house is LED lighting, if all your house is heat pumps, if all your house is you got air conditioning powered by solar, then, and it's very efficient, the highest efficiency, then you don't need as much power as someone who drives, like, drives a massive great truck, which is like 4 miles per gallon. That's why I want a Tesla, right? So, look, let me show you the battery here. Right, look. There you go. So, these 4 batteries, right? These 4 batteries sit in that inverter. They sit in that inverter. And I could have loads of these all charged up, ready to go. I can have as many of these as I want, charged up from solar, as many as I want, and all I got to do is drop them into the inverter, and it provides power. When we had all those power cuts, and everyone was going, I got no power in my house, and they were turning on their gas diesel chargers outside, and all the noise and the smoke, this was running all our important appliances inside the house with no smell, with no smoke, with no cost, and we got through the whole thing for a week. But you can charge it faster than it drains the batteries. But can you charge it faster than drains the batteries? Well, you don't charge it while you're using it. You just charge up all the batteries and they're all ready to go. Test the roof, absolutely. Test the roof. You can charge your whole house from the roof. I'm not saying it's not a great thing. Hell, I'm interested, but it's as a fail-safe. I would want something that's more reliable. You can't get more reliable than an electric battery. When the power goes out, this keeps my studio going all the time. As I say, when we had the power cut, it powered the house for like a week. All the vital things, and the more of those you have, and the more batteries you have of those, the better. And if you buy an electric Cybertruck, by the way, and you charge it up from your house, via solar. Did you know your car could power your house for a week as well? You can plug in your house into your Tesla Cybertruck and power your house for a week. And that will run the air conditioning from your Cybertruck. Right, here we go. XOS. Let's go back to these shares right now. NRXP. Are you all buying in? What's going on? NRXP. It's 15.98. I bought in at 15.60. Yeah, okay, it's a bit lower. Let's have a look. Is it time to buy back into NRXP? Let's have a look. 198. 198. 198. Advaxis. Which one? Check the candlesticks. 500 shares now. For me, it's not low enough yet. If it breaks solidly 1580, it'll likely keep going up. If it drops below 1548, it'll likely drop to 1492. Want more specific zones? There we go. There's the technical analysis on it. I'm waiting for it to go to 1548. I'm waiting for it to go to 1548. Overall, up. What's everyone's position on the day? I'm down 0.41 now. We're now seeing some of these drops coming. XOS, I can't get out of that yet. Looking to get out of it. Virgin Galactic, 24.38. My last buy-in was 24.75. So it's still down. Nothing to do there yet. Advaxis, still dropping. I sold it at 52. Bought it at 44. NRXP. Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm waiting for that to drop, like Ken says. One way or another, without news, it's coming down to correct. I'm waiting, John. John is all in. He's got 500 shares now. I'm going to make some money from these other two and then buy in if it drops lower. If it doesn't, if I miss it, I miss it. Oh, if there's a sudden short squeeze, I haven't researched that end yet. Okay. We're watching it closely. XOS is dropping down. Slightly increased. What about Lucid Group? Lucid Group now up 3% today. Just 2% away from making a profit. Ocugen is down as well, 10%. Harpoon Therapeutics down 31. Pfizer is now moving up today. It's picked up now. Bitcoin is now 56. Carnival continuing to drop. This is good. 1976 was my lowest. 1970. I'd like to buy it down there. I sold it at 23.92. Keep on going, Carnival. Let me back in. Or if there's a sudden short squeeze. NRXP we're looking at. Still trading sideways. Good stuff. Our friends over there, Nigel 1974. Hello, how are you? If you want to see what we're trading on today, join us on YouTube. Tap the screen. Let me know you're here over there on, is it Joe as well? Joe and O'Neill and Chaya. If you want to see what we're trading on here on the Day Trader, come to our YouTube link. That's much the better way. All you do is click the profile right here. It'll bring up my icon. And from my icon, Hiya Hamster, how are you? How are you, Hamster? And yeah, click the profile link right here. You will then find the icon. Click on the icon. Then you find the Instagram icon. Click on that. And right behind that, you will see my YouTube link. From my YouTube link, you'll be here, and you'll be right with us on the trading screens. Either side of the phone, you can see the trading screen. So come and join us here on YouTube. It's much better experience for you. You'll get a lot more out of it, and we welcome you here to our community. So do come and join us. All right, let's have a look. Lucid Cars looks nice though. The only thing I dislike about Tesla is the instrument cluster is in the middle, not above the steering wheel. This is why I got into Lucid. John, I think it was. Was it John? John Brunette mentioned Lucid Group to me because Apple, Android. There's always two. There's always going to be a couple of choices. Not every single person in the world is going to want to drive a Tesla, even if it was the best car in the world. Yes, it was John. Thought so. I think Tesla is the best electric car in the world by a mile. It's now the best-selling car, not best-selling electric car, but best-selling car overall in 3 countries of the world. Phenomenal. It's without a doubt going to be the biggest car company in the world. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. But because of that very fact, some people will go, well, I don't want one. It's like if everyone said the Apple phone or the iPhone is the best phone in the world, there would be people going, I hate it. I want an Android. Always happens. So you need an alternative. I don't think it's Ford or any of those companies. They're gas companies, and they do not understand what it's really about. They're just whacking batteries in gas cars, and they've missed the point. Whereas Lucid, Tesla, and Rivian, Amazon's branch, and Apple will make a car. They will all be the best cars. So Lucid is a good one. I'm in it. I've got 100 shares of it. I thought I'd be a Neo for number 2. I thought it'd have been Neo for number 2. No, not for me. Neo's Chinese. I'm not bothered about it. People without iPhones are cheap. I hate Apple products. Their useless Android devices just sit in their cradles. I love John. He's brilliant. He's always got something funny and sarcastic to say. See, he's Canadian. He's whether he likes it or not, he's a bit British. He can't help it because the British are sarcastic, and he's got a little bit of that sarcastic humour in him. He can't help it. So whether he likes it or not, it's the way it is. I don't even know how to use an Apple phone. I didn't when I first got one. I used to be a PC man. I used to build PCs. I used to make them, from the ground up, literally. Write code, program stuff, you name it. Build the parts, you name it. But I didn't even have a clue how to use a Mac. Now I'm all Mac. You just get used to it. Right, XOS has got some buying coming in. That was probably me. See that green candle there? That was me. That was me. Right? I'm famous. I bought that. We've got influence here on the Day Trader. Right, so I'm down very slightly now. And I might be able to get out in a minute. We're doing an extended show today because I'm trying to get out of these positions. All right? We're doing an extended show because we're going to get out of these positions and make some money, right? And get ready for the weekend. Virgin Galactic. Hey, Virgin Galactic's now moving up. Right. 24.46, 24.46, 24.46. Right, I'm still down, but we've seen a bit of a dip. We've starting to pick up. Right, I program in all languages. I use Linux, sod Apple, and Microshaft. Kenneth Brunk, I don't know. We'll let him have that, including the language of love. Oh my God. Language of love. Listen to him. Ed Vaxis, trading sideways. NRXP. Oh, look at that. John said I bought 500. Is that right? Yeah, John Brunette. You might be right. Kenneth said hold on. I'm holding on. I'm waiting for it to break. It's 15.49 now. I'm gonna buy a little bit when it drops a bit lower. Python, conveniently enough, there's a Robinhood library to automate trades. There's a Robinhood library to automate trades. Yes, sod me Martin. NRXP. NRXP's going down. I made a few bots. Oh, really? Did you program this? Is something you did or what? Robin stocks. You've lost me a little bit, Clus. Start again. Write what you said there again. Okay. So we're about to make some trades here. Right, Virgin Galactic. I'm looking. I'm waiting. Avaxis. I sold my position here, 52, and bought at 44. It's not worth me buying back in at that. I don't want to buy him back at that. NRXP waiting to get in there. Right, I'm down 0.33. Let's check, see if we've got any more subscribers. 996. 996. We just need 4 more subscribers to get to 1,000. Can anybody share this link with anybody they know? Come on here, subscribe to the blimmin' channel. 4. I want to do it on. I want to do it live on the show. We got 18. We got 18 people in the show. Someone must have. We must have 4 people amongst us that can subscribe to the channel. Programmed a few bots for Robinhood using a library called Robin Stocks. They work good. They trade better than me, but my emotion always gets in the way. Clust, you programmed this in. You created a bot to trade. Am I right? Am I understanding that correctly? Share my best kept secret. Waves. Well, Clust, I'm very impressed. I'm very, very impressed. I've actually created my own online business too. My own platform to try to compete with Facebook and YouTube. Oh yeah, I'm a Mr. Mark Zuckerberg myself. Do you want to see it? Live stream a cafe. Me and my partner, business partner, we created this platform here. This is our own platform. We wrote the code on our own servers. This is called Live Stream a Cafe, where artists can go live every day on our platform. We created this. We think it's better than Facebook and YouTube for artists to perform. This is my own platform. We wrote the code. We own this. It's on our own servers. There you go. Right. XOS now. I'm just down 0.5%. We're seeing some movement coming in. Is Dr. Nathan Smith still here? Dang, Robinhood keeps changing their back end. Got to babysit the code on occasion. That's sweet. Thank you very much. Yeah, we think it's better than YouTube and Facebook for artists. We've created it because when they perform live, they can. It's in a community, like a cafe type community, and they can get paid tips without Facebook or YouTube or anyone getting any money. They get direct tips on the screen and keep all the money. It's a great community. It's got some great features to it. We love it. Just not enough people know about it yet. That's the trouble. We need to get everybody trying it in one day. If anyone knows how to market it and get everyone to try it in one day, it would explode because it wipe the floor with Facebook and YouTube. It's far better for live performers. And not just musicians, anyone. It could be anyone who wants to stream live. This show could be in there right now. Right, Virgin Galactic. Make a back-end checker that runs every hour and alerts you if it changes. That's sweet, yeah. So you've wrote a code to follow Robinhood. I'm very impressed. Right. Hey! XOS, there we go. Okay, I'm down just $1.50. Are we going to see some a trade here? So Dr. Nathan Smith, self-taught. We're all self-taught, mate. Fake it till you make it. That's the way the world works. Just do it, get on with it, learn it, create it as you go. This entire studio, no one told me what to do. I just did it and learned by mistakes and keep improving it. And just be the best. Be the best of yourself. If you're the best of yourself, you'll always win, right? It's the way the world is. Virgin Galactic, could I just squeeze these 10 shares out? 24.75. We're 24.42, just down a little bit. Yeah, you know, Martin, they're designed every little detail on a napkin. Yep, wrote it all down on a napkin. Advaxis, NRXP. This is exactly what Ken said. This was what would happen. He said Ken said it would take a little bit of a while for it to go all the way down. Anyway, let's have a quick look at this.
Galactic grounded. The FAA launching an investigation into Sir Richard Branson's spaceflight last month. Why? A deviation in the landing. According to an FAA spokesman, the Unity space vessel did not follow the flight plan previously agreed on. The agency barring Branson's space tourism company from flying its Spaceship Unity 2 rocket during the investigation. That means plans for the company's next spaceflight, slated for later this month or early October, they could be delayed.
Yeah, they could be delayed. That's part of the sell-off a little bit, I guess, but not overly concerned about that. They didn't do anything wrong. If you look into the actual report of that, it was no big deal. But, you know, it's important. These things are important. They have to be addressed, but I'm not concerned about it. If you're using Microsoft, use Task Scheduler to run that program on a schedule. When it runs, it should check through a list. Each time in the list looks at things that have been changed before. Ah, very interesting. Right, very close now to a trade with XOS. We'll want to get some money back out of that. Oh, there we go. Some buying coming into XOS right now. There we go. Can we get that out? I'm down 0.5%. Virgin Galactic. I'm trying to. If I get a pop of a couple of percent, I will make a trade. Advaxis, I'm still waiting for it to drop a bit more, and NRXP, I'm waiting for it to drop a bit more. My portfolio is down 0.35 today, which is very good. I'm happy with that. Facebook up today, 0.25. Let's go back to here, see if we're up. 996. 998. Hey guys, 998 subscribers. We're 2 away from the 1,000. 1,000 is the number you need to monetize. Remember, there are 2 parts to that. You need 1,000 subscribers, and you also need 4,000 watch hours. We're nearly 40% of the way to that as well. So, very, very exciting. We might do it live on the show. Yeah, I have my bot on Raspi scheduled with Cron. If you're making a browser bug, I can help you. Hey, look at you guys. We've got some very clever people in this show right now. Yeah, if anyone's interested, right? If we got some computer guys in the house, right? Little investment opportunity for you, right? This platform that I created, right? I own this with my business partner, Christopher, and this could really be bigger and better than Facebook and YouTube for live streaming. If you want to live stream on Facebook and YouTube, there's all kinds of restrictions and so on and so forth. With this, right? This is a subscription service people use, and if we could just get this out and promote this, this could be a multi-million-dollar business. And if any of you guys could want to be involved with this and help us with this, we'd love to bring you in, because this could be phenomenal. What you do, look, I'll show you. You log in, right? This is me logging into my account right now, and I'll go into my stream. This is my stream right here, right now, and I can stream live here, and everyone chats in the chat, and look, look, someone became a fan. People watch what's going on. They give you tips, but across the top, look here, they tip you through all your own link, so you get all the money. Look, PayPal, Venmo, Buy Me a Coffee, Apple Pay. So the artist gets all the money. It could be a musician, a painter, a sculptor, a dancer, anyone. And also, when you go live, it emails all of your fans as well. You can't get no one emails your fans on YouTube, do they, or Facebook? So if anyone knows how to promote that with us and wants to get involved with us on that, it's all been created. We own it. It's done. It works. We just need to get it out. If you feel that you know how to market and promote that with us, there's a business opportunity there. That could be a multi-million-dollar business. It could be like the music version of Facebook and YouTube. Just sat there with about 100 subscribers. Yeah, way better than Twitch. Way better than Twitch. Everything about it is better. The quality's better. The way it works is better. It's phenomenal, but it just needs some help with us to do it. We've created it, it's up and running, and we've got our own Facebook page and group and everything else. But we just need to get everyone to use it at once in one day, and then it would blow up because everyone would see how good it was. How many artists have you got so far? Got about 100. All right. Anyway, there's a business adventure for you. Could make more money than you'll ever make on your stocks and shares, put it that way, if it takes off. XOS, I'm nearly now at profit. I'm just waiting there for a bit longer. Yeah, a bit more buying coming in. Virgin Galactic, just I can't do nothing yet. Advaxis, NRXP, waiting for a bigger drop. Should we check some more news? Here we go.
It's 2 hours away from the government's August employment report. And ahead of that number, let's get a preview of the data with Katie George. She's a senior partner at McKinsey & Company. Also, Julia Pollack, who is chief economist at ZipRecruiter. And Julia, why don't we start with you? Because I think there's a pretty wide estimate of what people are anticipating this time around. We just don't know. We know the picture's been looking better, but we know COVID was on the rise during that period. What are you expecting to see?
So COVID cases rose more than fourfold between July and August. It's a very significant surge. And yet we did not see people pull back the same way they did in 2020 during COVID surges then. Instead, people are defying Delta and they are moving ahead with plans to go back to normal. Jobless claims released yesterday showed no big spike in layoffs. In fact, they continue to come down. And we're seeing no slowdown in new hiring either.
Oh, hang on a minute. I've got some information coming in. Let me just get back to it a minute. First of all, I want to just talk very quickly to my friends on TikTok. Tap the screen, let me know you're here. If you want to see what we're trading on, the trading screens, I recommend what you do is click the profile here, go to the icon, find my icon, click that, you'll come to my profile on TikTok. You see the Instagram icon? Click on the Instagram icon, and behind there is the YouTube link, and you'll be live with us in the live chat on YouTube, and you can see my trading screens. I can't share my trading screens on TikTok. All right, I got a text as well from John Brunette, so I'm going to check my text a minute. John Brunette, Martyn's shack. What is this? What is going on here? Let me share this, everybody. Martyn's shack. Sun hits the roof, goes into some power, goes into a microphone, goes into YouTube, I think, makes money, comes out of Ecamm, buys a sport. What the heck is that? Oh my God. Martyn's shack. Sun, solar. What's the other little square? What's that? Power goes into a microphone, goes into a Is it YouTube? I think that is. Comes out as money, goes into a sports car. What the heck is that? Your master plan. That's my master plan, is it? That's very, very funny. I'm going to keep that and do something with that. I'm going to put that on Facebook. Put that on the Facebook group. Put that on the Facebook group. China's going to make a new exchange in Beijing. Oh, is that right? We've got a new exchange. This will be interesting. Martyn has posted the link. I'm sure everybody will be interested in that. So let me share that a minute. So let me bring this into the show a minute. This will be interesting. A new exchange. Let's bring it in. Okay, here we go. China will create a stock exchange in Beijing. Let me get rid of the comments on the screen a minute. You need the hamster on wheels. Oh, brilliant. Okay. China will create a stock exchange in Beijing. Whoops. Thank you very much for the commercial. Appreciate it very much indeed. I wonder if this plays a video. Let's have a look. Is this a commercial? Asking questions. What's all this? I think we're getting a commercial. Bear with us a second. It's finished in 5 seconds. All right. I've got my ad blocker on, but I still have to get these ads, I'm afraid. Okay, so let's have a look.
What are the Chinese up to? If we assume they don't want to commit economic suicide on their own stock markets, why are they doing it? Do they have valid reasons in your view?
Thanks for having me, Richard. I think there's two things going on here. One is a top-down assertion on different sectors in the economy, reminding the private sector who is in control. It started with Didi, but even beforehand, if you look at Alibaba. So that's just something.
I keep calling Kenneth Martyn, apparently. Do apologise, Kenneth, for calling you Martyn. Don't know why I'm doing that. Kenneth Brunk. Sir Kenneth Brunk. No longer should be known as mine. I'm Martyn on here with a Y. Martin Redding is the other Martyn, but I'm the only Martyn on here with a Y. Kenneth Brunk is Kenneth Brunk.
Something that has been happening and continues. But there's something else, confidence. Confidence that they do not need external money. And one of the results of that is, of course, people start believing, foreign investors start believing that China is less investable, or in some cases uninvestable. And that's why it is impacting the market as a whole.
The temptation in the West is to have a knee-jerk reaction and say, it's the Chinese beating up on to prove that, don't go to the markets, don't get the money from the West type of thing. But to your knowledge,
what do you guys think about this? A new stock exchange in China. Wow. All our friends over there on TikTok, hit the profile, go to the Instagram icon and click that and you'll find the YouTube link. Join us here on the live trading screens.
Does the Chinese government have legitimate concerns about the way these companies have been trading in a Wild West environment with data that could be, from the Chinese point of view, security sensitive?
They have the same concerns the US have, and we're seeing that happening in the US as well, which is that sensitive data, as you say, may end up in places they don't want it. But it's beyond that. I think if you look at it holistically, I think there's a much stronger top-down assertions happening on. We've seen it in crypto. So it is, yes, there's some justification, but it's bigger. It's part of a bigger phenomenon.
Wow. What do you make of that? That's interesting. Oh, man. Kenneth sent me something here very interesting as well. Let me have a look at that in a minute. Kenneth, see, I got his name right there. Look. XOS. Just 0.58 now from a trade. And then hopefully I can get a profit on that. We are looking like an upturn coming. So Advax is still dropping. So I'm looking for an opportunity to re-enter. NRXP. Still trading down. That's what Martyn said. Sorry. That's what Kenneth said. Oh my God, I've done it. Kenneth said. All right. We've got another news item here. Workhorse. Let me have a look what Kenneth is sharing with us here. Workhorse is accused of fraud and in facing an SEC investigation. What's all this about? Let me bring this into the show. On The Verge. Okay. Let's have a look. Let's see what we make of this. Workhorse accused of fraud and is facing an SEC investigation. An EV startup, Workhorse, has been accused of touting fake pre-orders, accounting fraud, and hiding securities and exchange commission investigation from investors in a new report. That's terrible. The report also contains allegations that Workhorse new electric vans are already breaking down for customers like IKEA. Oh dear. Has anybody got shares in Workhorse? I don't have any shares in Workhorse. I'm glad when I read stuff like that. Battery pack rapidly draining. Yeah, I mean, this is it, right? Tesla started everyone making electric cars, right? But it's not just a matter of whacking a few AA batteries together and tying them up in a box. There's a lot more technology involved in that, and there will be. That's why I'm not interested in NIO, because there'll be cheap rip-offs of electric cars, and they'll be rubbish. You know, not everyone's going to be like a Tesla, or hopefully Lucid Group, which I'm now investing in. XOS, we're going to get a bounce in a second. Virgin Galactic still going down. I've got a lot of money tied up in this now. Avaxis still going down. Opportunities just performing all over the place. NRXP, has it hit the bottom? I don't know. Kenneth would suggest it doesn't. Let's have a look at Workhorse. Let's see if what the shares are doing. Workhorse. Right. Let's go on the 5-year. So it went founded in 2007. Trading flat all this period. We had a real big bounce here in 2020, and then dropping off. I don't like that graph, because Tesla, when it came out, got excited, and it just keeps on going up. They've had all this of no interest whatsoever, all this time of no interest. They've not captivated the market. They started to grow and then collapse, and now it's going to be worse. So you might get yourself a bargain because it's cheap, but then you just buy cheap rubbish. I wouldn't touch this. It's going down and down and down, and this news is going to make it go down even worse. Yeah, I wouldn't touch that. I wouldn't get involved in that, I don't think. All right. Overall, 11.15. Live, big drop. Where's that just come from? A big drop. Is that Bitcoin? That normally is. No, it's not. It must be space then. Yeah, Virgin Galactic taking the tumble. 7% today. That's what's happening there. I wonder if we've got it yet. 998 subscribers. 998. I wanted to get it live on the air. 998. It must be cloudy. Yeah, all right. They're not charging the cars when they're driving around, which is something that Tesla are planning on doing, by the way. Tesla are planning on making the body of the cars made out of a solar material. So the whole car charges while you drive it. And that can be done. You can actually make solar out of flexible body panels, and you can actually make a body of a car and the roof and everything all solar. So the car will park up outside, it's being charged, it's charging itself, and it runs, literally run forever. That's what you want. That's the future of electric cars. I'm trying to make a couple of plays here, and then a hailstorm passes. What's the problem with the hailstorms? I knew that was going to come up. If you put solar on your roof, it's why everyone in Texas should have solar on their roofs, because we're always getting flipping hail. You can't smash a solar panel with hail. Everyone around here is getting their roofs replaced all the time because they've got asphalt roofs, whatever you call it. What's it called? Not asphalt. What's it called? Shingles. Yeah, everyone's got shingles, and the hail comes straight down. Golf ball size. We have baseball size in Texas, and it comes through your house. It comes through your roof. It wouldn't do that on a solar panel. You can hit a solar panel with a hammer. So, there you go. I've debunked another myth. How do I know this? Because I've tested it. I've got solar panels in England. You can hit them with a hammer. They're made like a silica. You hit it with a hammer, and if you covered your house in a Tesla roof, it's hail proof. So if you have a car made of solar panels, it's hail proof. Another rumor debunked about solar being a bad thing. No, it's not. Have a solar powered car. You don't have any issues with hail damage. My father-in-law just bought a 90,000 F350. I warned him, he got it in and it doesn't fit in his garage. I told him it'll be a good hail shield for his driveway. Absolutely. But I've got an answer for that as well. It's called the hail protector. And I've actually got one. Right? It's a big bubble I put around my car. In fact, I don't have a car anymore. I sold it. Let me see if I can bring it up. Hail car. Hang on. I'll show you it. Let me show you it a minute. I'll show you this. Right, listen. Here it is. Hail protector. I've got one of these over my car. When I sold my car, but I've still got the hail protector. Hail protector car cover. It's a big bubble you put over your car. There you go. Look at that. You put this over your car.
Good morning, YouTube. Today.
Good morning, YouTube. Hello, mate. Get to the car hail protector. There it is. That's what I've got over my car. You put it over your car. The car blows it up with electric, and that's it. And you can throw bricks at your car. And I've tested it. I've actually made a video of it. Done that. There you go. Look at that. So that's what you need if you're gonna go out and buy. If you're going to go out and buy $90,000 worth of car, get yourself one of these for $200, and then you don't have no problems at all. When the hail comes, it takes 2 minutes. You throw it over the top, you plug it into the cigarette lighter, it blows it up, and then you're done. Problem sorted. This is why you tune in to the Day Trader, right? I sort your problems out for you. I'll buy it off your Amazon store for Christmas gift for him. There you go. There you go. Brilliant idea. Yep. Where do you live, Clust? I've got. Oh no, you're not. You're too far away because I've sold my car. I don't need it now. I'd sell it to you. I'd give you a bargain. I don't need it, but it'd be too heavy to post it. I think you're in Florida, aren't you? Just park it inside a bouncy house. Yeah. Is that Minnesota or Michigan? Minnesota, right? Yeah, it'd be too far for me to send it, I think. But yeah, I've got one. I could send it to you. But yeah, it'd be too expensive for the mail of it. All right, we're seeing XOS, bit of a pop. It's flat at the minute though. I'm 0.58 down. I wonder if we can get out of it. today. Virgin Galactic still going down. I'm trying to get out of this trade, but not able to right now. I'm down 22% because I've lowered my dollar average today, which is a good thing anyway. But I'd like to be able to sell the 2 I bought for $24.75. The 10 I bought for $24.75. Yeah. VAX is still going down. Had a big pop this morning, remember? NRXP trading sideways. Overall, I'm down 0.35. No, I'm not. Overall, I'm down 0.57. Apologies. $999 subscribers. 999. We've got to stay here. Blimey, I've been sat in this chair for 2.5 hours. Oh, that's better. 999. We've got to do it live on the air, right? We've got to do it live on the air. 999 subscribers. We've got to do it live on the show. One person subscribed to this channel. Oh, flipping heck. I can't subscribe to myself. You know, I've got no more channels. I can't subscribe to myself. Right. What's my portfolio? I've got $198 to buy a dip somewhere. Do a day trade at Johnson & Johnson, Tesla, $15.35. I think NOXP will get down to there today. Then Tuesday likely fall lower. So NRXP, Cluss isn't with us today, is he? He's very quiet. He's not with us. Really concerned, you know, and I am, seriously. I mean, if you've got tens of thousands of dollars in a stock, and that's all you've got, and that's all your money, and it's just going down and down and down, I mean, you've got nowhere to get out. You can't dollar average, you can't buy lower, you can't buy, you know, lower and then just catch a little dip and try to claw some money back. You've just got to watch it go down and down. There's nothing you can do. You're stuck. That's a bad position to be in, and never be in that position. DRAS, yeah. Momentarily it may go up a little, but likely over 15, but not over 1578. $15.35. See, I bought in at $15.60. This is lower than I bought in now, so I could buy back if I wanted to, and make a little bit of money. But you know, Kenneth is suggesting, you know, it could go lower. He purchased quite low, I think. Yeah, not as low as this, because if you go back a week, I mean, look, we're only up 5%. We're, you know, over. Yeah, look. Well, yeah, I mean, okay, if he bought down here, of course, but I don't know. I reckon he bought around. I don't think it was. I don't think he's had him that long. Has he? Well, if he's, yeah, I mean, if he bought down here, then he's fine, then, right? Isn't he? If he bought down here. If he bought down here, I mean, that's 30%, so he'll be up 25% if he bought down here at 11. I mean, yeah, absolutely. Yeah, fair enough. Depends where he bought in, of course it does. But, okay, we're seeing the market recover a little bit in the last few minutes. Only a tiny bit, but XOS just $2 down now. Looking for an opportunity. I'm hungry to do a deal. I'd like to put that cash back in my bank, put that cash back in my buying power. I personally would set an alarm to go off, and if the price dipped below 1480, then I'd start watching for a recovery. Then get back in when I see clear signs. Dip below 1480, then I'd start watching for a recovery, then get back in when I see clear signs. 1480. $1,000 subscribers. Ladies and gentlemen, take a picture. We are now at 1,000 subscribers. We've just passed 1,000 subscribers. Look at that, everybody. Congratulations to all of us. Absolutely fantastic. We've made 1,000 subscribers here on the Day Trader. Absolutely great. It's 5 weeks old today. 5 weeks old. We started at 0 subscribers 5 weeks ago, and we are now at 1,000 subscribers here live on the show. We're live on the show right now, and it's just done it. One more round of applause. Absolutely great, and what a great community we are to all do it. That's absolutely fantastic. 1,000 subscribers on the Day Trader. We have done that in just 5 weeks. We're 5 weeks old today. Absolutely fantastic. Remember though, to get monetized, you need to get to 4,000 watch hours. We're currently 40% of that. We're just a tad below 40%. So theoretically, in another 5 weeks, because obviously you speed up a little bit as you go, more subscribers, more viewers, more people watching, potentially we could be there in 5 weeks' time. Wonderful stuff. One incredible growth. Thanks to all of you for supporting me every day. We've got part 1 of the plan done. 1,000 subscribers. That's incredible growth in just 5 weeks. Thank you ever so much, everybody. Absolutely brilliant. Really great. Thank you very much. Oh, yeah. How cool was that? Oh, here we go. XOS. Pay attention. Just as that happened, woot woot, Kevin said, it's Friday before a 3-day weekend. It's almost 11 a.m. You may be out of luck on that end yet to try and sell out. I personally would set an alarm. Woot woot, 1,000. Thank you very much. Champagne from John. You know that word of mouth is exponential. Yes, indeed. I believe it is. All right, look at this. Look. XOS is Dr. Nathan Smith in the house. We're up now 1.29% on the day. Right, I'm up 1% now. What's going to happen now? This could be my flip. No point selling it at making $2. But let's have a look. Right, we've had a bit of a bounce. Is it going to continue? 1.29. That's quite a jump. Right, let's have a look. Let's see how that affects anything else. Virgin Galactic still going down. Can't do anything there. Advaxis is starting to move there. Remember, I sold out at 52, bought in at 44, bought in at yeah. There's nothing I really want to do there yet. It's not cheap enough. NRXP, let's go on the day. Still trading sideways. Not cheap enough yet. The portfolio is now just flat. On the day, yep, still down 0.5%. Still moving down, in fact. Let's make some money on this one if we can. 1.36. We're getting some buying coming in now. XOS. Oh. Yep, it's 1.71. What does everyone think? 1.43. I'm up nearly 1%. 1.93. I'm up 1.34 now. Okay. XOS. Manufacturing electric trucks. Up 2%. We're getting a boost here, guys. We're getting a boost here. Opportunity to make some money. Everybody, and get out. You know that word of mouth is exponential. Thank you so much for that, class. I really appreciate it very much indeed. Right, we got a team over on TikTok watching. They're not seeing the trading screens though. They can't see what we can see. I suggest those of you on TikTok, you're over there. Click the profile right here. You find my icon. When you find my icon, click it. You'll see the Instagram logo. Click on the Instagram logo. You'll see my YouTube link. Hop on over into the crowd. We've got a great team trading live right now, and we're finding opportunities because it's a long weekend. We're going to see a sell-off today. All the shares have dropped, but we're seeing opportunities to make money. Get out, put your money in your buying power, keep your powder dry, ready for Tuesday when we'll start to see a recovery. There'll be sell-offs. We're seeing it everywhere today. So if you want to join us live, go over to YouTube. That's where you want to see what's going on. You're missing out otherwise on TikTok. You're hearing everything, but you're not seeing on the screen what I'm looking at. XOS now up 2.25%. I'm up 1.5. Okay. We've had some. Whoa! We had a huge bit of buying coming into XOS right now. Look at that. Look at that green candle there. Right. This could drop right back again. But there's no point me selling at 1.5%. That's not worth my time selling that. Virgin Galactic still going down. I can't do nothing with there. If I could make some money from XOS, I'd sell and I'd buy some more Virgin. Josh dropping back slightly. XOS. I want to see that if we can get 3 or 4% on that, I would sell that and then buy more Virgin. So let's have a look at that. Virgin Galactic still going down. NRXP, still not a good time to buy in. It's still dropping back. Apple is now nearly at 0 again. Johnson & Johnson 0. Tesla's dropping back a bit. Not much. Nearly 1%. Facebook's doing well today. Apple is doing well. It's going to do well because that new iPhone's coming out. Coke is now moving up. AT&T is moving up. Disney is moving down 1% today. Let's close out the workhorse news. We've just done that. Google is having a good day, up 0.5%. Down Virgin Galactic. Oh, I've got that open twice. Let me shut one of those down. All right. Ford is down 1%. Still down 10% on Ford. Want to get that out when we think it might go to 18. The Rolls-Royce down 2%. I'm still up 15% though. On Rolls-Royce, I'm sticking with that. Robinhood down 1.61. Riskified having a good day. Up now 72%. Lucid Group. I'm 1.5% away from making profit. Oh, there we go. Lucid's having a bounce. Here we go. Lucid's moving. Up 3.5% now. 3.6, 3.68. Lucid Group is got some action in there. Let's open the chart up and expand it. Let's have a look. Lucid Group, yep, it's got some action coming in. The news of Workhorse could help this because Workhorse is probably some kind of competitor, not really, but it's in the electric space, and one goes down, one goes up. That's how life works. 3.62. I'm just $28 away from making a profit, or at least recovering from Lucid. I bought in and I dropped back, so we had a drop. I did sell off. I made some money from it, if you remember. I bought it. I bought 60 shares at 15.82 and sold them at 18.16. $100 shares here. 100 shares here at nearly $2,000 now. Just down 1%, 1.17. We're seeing a really good bounce here. 3.9. What do you think, Kenneth? We're having some real growth here on Lucid. Lucid's cars, maybe, are they coming out? Have we got news? Lucid Group's cars coming out? Because we're now just a tad away from profit. Oxygen is down. If you want to get in Oxygen, an opportunity there, because we're now down 12%. That would be a better position. Bitcoin trading sideways, but up today, nearly 2%. Let's have a look at Carnival. Carnival tumbling. There we go. Carnival tumbling. My sell-off was 23.98, if you remember. 23.92. I sold at. My original buy-in was 21. I like the way that's going. XOS. I'm up now 1%. 1.12. $3.96. This is good. What? Yeah. We got all sorts. Two things to talk about. XOS is now gone into the green. But what's more important, Lucid Group. Check this one out. We've had a huge amount of action come into Lucid now. Up nearly 4%. Look at this. Huge amount of buying just coming in. So is that news that Lucid now is delivering those cars? Because we've now got 3.8%. I'm now just a tad away from making a profit with Lucid. And XOS had a huge surge as well. XOS had a huge surge from went up 2% in a moment. So XOS and Lucid Group, I don't know. There's been a huge jump here with Lucid. Up 4%, nearly 4% today. I'm down just 1% now. I'm very close to being able to... if you've just joined us here on YouTube, which is the place to be to see the trading screens, give us a thumbs up, subscribe and ring the bell. There we go. Just checking a couple of things. Just checking, bear with me a minute. Checking a few numbers here on a few things we want to look at. Okay. Cool job. Hello. We got, wow. Hoang View, you so amazing. Hoang View, thank you so much indeed. But Hoang, you're not actually seeing the benefit of what we're trading here. If you click the profile, the little profile here, the little icon, that'll bring up my icon again. Click on the icon. Then you'll be on my homepage of my TikTok profile and you'll see the Instagram link. The Instagram icon, if you click that, right behind that is my YouTube link. Click on the YouTube and you'll be live in the chat with us here and you'll be able to see my trading screens and talk to my team who are helping work with us. And together we are making profits here and we're doing really, really well today. So do come and join us, otherwise you can't see the trading screens. I'm sharing with you my real portfolio on screen. And also you can say hello to all the gang and get to meet everybody. So there we go. The overall portfolio is down 0.45%. But that's great because we are in a day where we're selling off. XOS has got up again. All right, I'm up 2% now. Right, XOS, Kenneth Brunk, Martin, John, you want to be looking at this now. Go to Webull and look at LCID on the daily chart. I will. I need to log into that though. I need to set that up another day. Kenneth, I need to get that saved onto my screen so I can bring that in. I'm not logged into it right now. XOS, look, XOS is jumping big time, 2.71% today. I'm up now 2.19%. I'm making money. I could sell this now and make an immediate sale, immediate flip. This is fantastic news. XOS going 3.14. XOS is on fire. We're seeing 3.57. We've got a lot of volatility here, everybody. I'm making it as clear to you as I can that there we go, XOS. Huge candles. Huge candles now. I bought this morning. Dr. Nathan Smith told me about this. He bought 5 shares. So I bought 50. I had to go 10 times more than him, just for the hell of it. Sam Hughes is here, our Elton John tribute act from the UK. Sam, give us a thumbs up so we can make it 20 thumbs up. Subscribe and ring the bell if you've not already done so. We've just created history on the channel, live on the channel. We went through 1,000 subscribers live in the show. There it is. We did it live on the show. 1,000 subscribers in 5 weeks old. 5 weeks today, we did it. We hit 1,000 subscribers in just literally 5 weeks old today. All right, NRXP 3.79%. Look at this growth. Right, I bought in 50 shares this morning. Martyn, Dr. Nathan Smith suggested it to me, and it was great. Already done. Thank you very much. We've got 19 likes. Our all-time record was 27, so thank you very much for that. Our friends on TikTok are getting excited. They're tapping the screen crazy. They want to come and join us over there on YouTube, though. The Day Trader on YouTube. The link's in the profile just behind the Instagram icon. Click on it. You want to be in on this right now. Opportunity here. All shares are moving down, so take some profits. It's a sell-off weekend because it's a long weekend. I've learned that from Kenneth Brunt. We expect a lot of sell-offs today. So I've taken some profits, invested in something new here, XOS, and we are up now 3%. I've made $10. I don't care. $10 is fine by me. Kissing 51,000. Yes, indeed. Let me look at the portfolio. The portfolio. There we go. Nice boost here. I'm now up 11.21%. Remember, I've taken money out of this portfolio now. I keep taking out profits. I would be nearly 52,000. But I keep taking it out. 3.57. Lucid may be about to break out on the daily. Is that up? Break upwards? Lucid Group. Do you mean break in upwards or break down? Maybe about to break out on the daily. When you say break out, up. Okay, great. I'm down just 0.173. I've never made any money yet with Lucid. We're waiting to do that now. I have 100 shares in Lucid, so we're very excited about that. 3.57. XOS is on fire. How's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin is great. As expected, it's gone through 50,000. It got as high as 51,000, and this is going to be all the way to 100,000 by the end of the year. So there we go. My portfolio is, I've made 50% on this. I've made $3,000. 18.5% of my portfolio is now on Bitcoin. There we go. Right. Let's have a look. All right. 3.29. We're now seeing a little bit of a tail off, a little bit slowing down there. I'm up at $10. I've made 2.5%. That's great. Wish I'd bought more of that. I'd never say that. We always wish we'd bought more when it goes up. Silly thing to say. Virgin Galactic, slight upturn there, but still I can't get out at the minute. I'm making to make some money to put some more money into Virgin, so basically getting free share. That's what I'm doing. Advaxis is trading sideways, but we were looking at Lucid Group as well. Lucid, Kenneth says it could be about to break upwards or break out. Let me stand up for a second, guys. I've been sat in this chair way too long. Blimey, I've been sat down here a long time. Oh, taking a stretch. taking a stretch. There we go. Right. Let's have a look. Lucid Group. Some movement there. Let me expand the chart as well. Yeah, there's some buying coming into Lucid. Look at that. We can see it coming in. This could suddenly break out. Kenneth predictor XOS could hit 7.42 before it comes down. Not sure. 7.42 XOS 7. Oh, that'd be nice. Okay. Very low volume though. It may not hit that mark at all. Good luck singing today. Your throat will be sore from the morning and evening shows. Yeah, I'll be fine. I'll be good. Don't worry about that. So much stuff going on. So much stuff going on. Absolutely. There we go, everybody. 1,000 subscribers. Check it out. Absolutely brilliant. You won't see the individual numbers now on the screen. It'll just go in hundreds. It'll go 1.1 and stuff like that. I'll show you what I mean by that. If I go, see, look, it'll go by tens. See, like here, Martyn Lucas, 4.58. So it'll go 4.1 be 100. It'll do it in tens. So that's 580. So it'll do it in tens. It won't do it in ones anymore. All right, that's how it goes. But it does look nice to see 1,000 subscribers on there, I have to say. Right, XOS just dropped back a little bit. It's not worth doing anything yet. I don't want to buy any more. I want to get some money out of it, make some money on it. Virgin Galactic, can't do anything there yet. Advaxis, I'm waiting for that to drop a bit low before I buy back in again. NRXP, I'm waiting for it to go low before I buy back in again. Carnival, let's have a look. Yes, Carnival is dropping now to 23. Get to 19, we can buy in there. There'll be some buying in. I'll tell you what, if it hits 19, you'll see it go up quickly. I'll tell you that. I've seen it before. If it gets around out to 20, there'll be a lot of buying in coming in. I bought in at 19. Yeah, around about that 20. I want to get around that 20. That's where I want to be. Today, I'm down 0.5%, and I'm okay with that. 7.20. We got 19 likes. Thank you very much, everybody. Appreciate the thumbs up there. XOS is just dropping back. Wouldn't have been worth selling that at all. That'd have been ridiculous. Let's see if we can get that up again. Amazon is moving up today. Nice now. Johnson & Johnson's now moving up. A lot of recoveries now. Before the big sell-off, perhaps, coming later in this afternoon. Facebook, up. Apple, up. We could get a bit of a pump now. Kenneth mentioned this last night. We could get sell-off in the morning and then a bit of a pump throughout the day. And then a sell-off at the end. Ford is down 1%. Rolls-Royce trading sideways. Harpoon down even more today. Riskified up, doing great. Lucid, 2% away. 2% away. Oxygen still going down. I'm 12% down now. Opportunity to Harpoon. Oh, I've got two of those. No, I haven't. That's Robinhood. Pfizer, Bitcoin, Carnival. Look at Carnival dropping. Carnival's seriously dropping now. We're getting the lowest ever here. Look, April, right after COVID, we were down $8. We're heading in that direction. Let's have a look. Expand the chart. We're seeing some sell-offs today. That'll just mean people will buy back in. Look at all this selling. Sell, sell, sell. Boom, 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 boom. All the way down. Which will suddenly get some buying power going in and whack it go up again. This could become a meme stock. This could easily become a meme stock and start trending on whatchamacallit, Reddit, stuff like that. Fauci just made an announcement. The Mu variant is not a problem in the US. Excuse me. Yeah, Fauci just made an announcement. The Mu variant isn't an immediate threat in the US. They're not concerned about that. So there's potential here for upward growth in Carnival. I would say, looking at this chart for a while, it will keep going down and all of a sudden this will go up. Now you might regard this as a good opportunity. $22.95, down 4.5%. If we look at the week, down nearly 7% on the week. But on the month, we're up 10%. So I'd say there's a bit to go. There's a bit to go looking at that way that feels to me. But don't be surprised if you suddenly miss out on that. The shares I sold at $23.98 and the best I bought was $23.92. So I'm $1 cheaper than when I sold out. So there's an opportunity here. But I'd need to make some money from somewhere else. XOS is going up. Right. This is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to play right now. I've got, how much money have I got in my buying power right now at this precise moment? I've got 198, so let's call it 150 bucks, right? I got 150 bucks. So 150 bucks. What I could do is buy Carnival on the way down. 150 bucks. I could start to buy some Carnival now. Right, remember I sold at $23.92. It's 22. It's $1 cheaper now. $1 cheaper per share. I could buy in. Should I wait a bit longer? That's a hell of a drop. That's a hell of a drop. That's nearly 7% in a week. I think by the end of the day it could go lower. I think we should. I think we need to watch it. There's some real potential there. If we look at the chart, we can see $13,000. Look, see these down the side here? These are the entry points when people are going to come buying in. A lot of volume around about this point here, 22.94. Right where we are now, there's quite a bit. $22.95. So get ready to buy here. I'm getting ready to buy some. Right, ready? So shares, 5 shares, 114. What did I say I've got? I've got 150 bucks, right? 5 shares there. 22.92. Review order, buy. Done. I'm back in on Carnival. I wouldn't buy, that's just me. So much stuff going. I just bought 5 and I'll buy on the way down because I don't want to miss out on the opportunity that could suddenly go up. XOS up 2%. Seen some buying coming in there. Get myself a couple of free stocks there if that goes up. Virgin, nothing to do there. Advaxis, nothing to do there. NRXP, not yet, I don't think. Portfolio is down 0.53 today. Kenneth said he wouldn't buy. No, I know it's a little bit early. I get it. It's a little bit early, but I'll consolidate as it goes down. Where did I buy it in? I bought it in at 22.92. I bought in at 22.92. So I'm down a little bit now. I just want to be in so when it starts to pick up again, I'll make something on it. 22.92. And I'll buy a bit more on the way down. That's what I'll do. XOS, I'm looking to be out of that now. And Lucid, I'll make some money. Will we? We're 2% down now. Looking to take some money out of Lucid if that starts to pop. Riskified, doing really well, 75%. I'm almost back to my new average price on NRXP, my new average price of NXP. Yeah, it's starting to just lift up a bit, isn't it? Yeah. XOS is picking up again. NRXP. I'm waiting for it to go lower before I get into that. Amazon. Doing well. Johnson & Johnson now surging. I could take some profits out of that. Carnival dropping back some more. We've gone way over time today, but as you can see, we're in some place here because with this long weekend coming up, we could be in for a very, very, very interesting day. I don't really want to end the end this because I'm only going to be sat here anyway, watching this, trading this anyway. I'm not going anywhere right now. Advaxis. NRXP starting to lift up. John will be happy. Overall portfolio still going down. So we're seeing these opportunities. It's like, where do you move your money to? What do you do? That's what we're doing right now. Apple's still doing very well. Don't you have water aerobics? Yeah, I completely forgot. I did have water aerobics, and I completely forgot. I was supposed to leave at 9:10. I'm actually dressed in my shorts, ready to go water aerobics, and I got reminded that I'd missed it, and it was too late then. I was ready to go. I'm all ready to go for it, but it is what it is. But the other thing as well is, now we've got 1,000 subscribers. We're chasing down 4,000 watch hours. We've only got about. It says we've got 6 people watching right now. So we've got a small crowd now. Some of you have left. Some people have left. So you need a lot more people. If we had 4,000 people watching right now, 1 hour, we'd have 4,000 watch hours. We're about 40%. We need about 2,500. Just do them in the tub. Yeah. But the reason why I'm sticking with you, though, is because I'm looking to trade XOS. If I can get that up another couple of %, I will sell, and that will buy me some free shares on Carnival, because Carnival's dropping down. And as it goes down, I'll buy a bit more as it goes down. Virgin, I bought some low shares today, and I'm looking for a pop on those, and that's not happening yet. And I haven't got any more. I don't want to buy any more. Advaxis is I made profit, looking to buy in that, but it needs to drop a bit more before I do. NRXP, I want to get in on that, but I'm waiting for it to drop a bit more. And all these profits will then ultimately end up in these places: Amazon, Johnson & Johnson, Tesla, and all these places. That's where it all ultimately ends up. Facebook. So we'll just keep an eye on Lucid. I'd like to take some profits today if I could. If I could get some profits there. We're just 2% down, 3% up today. That's really, really good, especially today. Carnival. Oh, sorry, that's Oxygen, sorry. Carnival dropped a bit more. Not much. I just bought in at 22.92. It's not much. There's going to be a big swing there because there's a lot of people queuing up to buy shares at 22. So when that happens, the price will go up. Our friends over there on TikTok, you're lovely to have you here. Hwangu 268 is here. I'd love you to join us on YouTube. That's where all the main trading screens are. You can get a much better experience. So simply tap on the profile here, click on my icon, click on the Instagram logo, and you'll see the YouTube link right behind there, and you can come and join us and be part of our team here on The Day Trader. So we're looking at Carnival right now. I'm very eager, very keen. Oh, XOS, there we go. Picking back up now, right, 2.83%. Kenny said this could go to 740, I think he said, which would be nice. That would take me up somewhere like 6% if that does that. And then I would sell all of that. And then that would buy me a couple of free shares at Carnival. That's how that works. Virgin Galactic, are we seeing a recovery? I want to try and catch this bounce if I can. Gavin has just joined us. Gavin just followed me as well. Thank you very much, Gavin. Where are you from? If you've just joined us and you're following us right now, you might like to be part of the main show. And the main show is on YouTube. You simply click the profile here, find my icon, click the icon. When you see the icon on my main TikTok profile, you'll see the Instagram link. Click on the Instagram link, and right behind there is my YouTube link. And you can come in, and we've got a live team trading with us in the live chat. That's a much better place to be. You'll see the trading screens then. You don't see it here on TikTok. Virgin Galactic, we're just... Advaxis moving slightly lower. I'm looking to get in on Advaxis again. I traded out, as you remember. I traded out here. I sold out at 52, made a profit. Went out 48, but it's got to get down to about 44 really to buy back in again. So we're going in the right direction. NRXP sideways. Pfizer's picking up now. Bitcoin is up 1.79, 1.82, 1.83, 1.84 on the day. Carnival, just a little bit of resistance now. Doesn't want to go much lower. Lucid Group trading sideways now for the minute. I think we've got some friends come over from YouTube, from TikTok. Are you in the live chat? If you're in the live chat, say hello. Just see you've just come over. Give us a thumbs up, like the video, and if it's your very first time, click subscribe or ring the bell. We'd love to hear from you. Tell us where you're from, what you're trading, and we'll share with you what we're trading live on the screen. So let us know, and we'd love to talk to you. And we all share with each other all our live trades, what we're doing here on the screen. So there we go. There we go. We've got more people coming into YouTube now. Just let us know where you're from. Click the subscribe, ring the bell, and of course the thumbs up. Mr. Love would appreciate it very much. All right, Lucid now trading sideways. I got a feeling it's going to go up a little bit more today. We shall see. XOS, there we go. This was Dr. Nathan Smith this morning who suggested I get into this. Well, he didn't suggest. He said, what do you think of it? And he got into it. So it's a brand new stock, guys. You're talking about brand new stocks. This is a week old. It dropped off. We had a big drop. And now we're seeing a rise now. People are buying in. It's very low volume, but nevertheless, I'm up 3% now. I only bought 50 shares. But if I can make myself 4 or 5% on that, I will sell that, and then I will have some money back in again to put into Carnival. It'll be free money. Carnival still dropping. And Vaxis, I'm looking to get back into, and NRXP, it's just not low enough yet. XOS, still going up. Kenneth said it could reach 744. That's his opinion. Remember, we're not financial advisors. Advaxis might be about to pop up. Okay, here we go. Advaxis might be about to pop up. What's giving you that indication? I sold out at... 52. No, it's not worth me buying back in. I don't know. Why do you think it's about to pop up? That's what Kenneth thinks. He thinks that Vax is about to pop up. It's up 7% today. This is its chart. This is what it's doing. XOS is going up. MA and EMA 200 is about to cross the VWAP. Its nearest low is higher than its previous, and it has room to move. Volume looks to be coming in as well. Okay, every reason. Fractional shares are currently position closing only for... Right, okay. What's my buying power looking like? So, $80 perhaps. Advaxis, $80. So... Keeping an eye on that. Ken reckons it's about to pop up. It could go down, but I'd give it odds it'll go up for a little while. Picked up 2,000 shares. It hasn't had confirmation of breakout though. NRXP trading sideways. Profile, my overall portfolio is starting to pick up here in the last few minutes. Looking at Johnson & Johnson. I'm sitting there, if you can see what I'm doing, I'm just sat there with 150 shares just sort of waiting to buy. Not too sure. Gavin just followed me. Hello, is it Elaria? Ellery Kubin, I think that is, over there on TikTok. Hello, welcome. Lovely to have you here. If you want to see us trading the trading screens, just hop over to YouTube. The link is in the profile. Just click on the profile right here and then go behind the Instagram icon, and you'll see my YouTube icon link, and it'll take you direct to the Day Trader channel. It hasn't had confirmation of breakout though. Yeah, I'm not feeling it, Ken. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it at the moment. NRXP has been holding and moving up slightly, so John was probably right. Looking across it, I was just highlighting the possibility. No, absolutely. Absolutely, I'm just not feeling it. And it, you know, Coke just dropping back a bit. It's back to Carnival. There we go. We're hitting that line because we're going to get some. We're going to get some buying coming in now. I know we are. So 22.92. I see more potential in that. Yeah, no, I get that, Kenneth. I'll bring that up on the screen. There we go. Carnival 22.81. XOS. Got some news coming in from Kenneth. What is it? I'm just looking at selling my position on XOS right now. Dow Jones today. Let's have a look. Dow Jones today. Stocks mixed after August payrolls dive. Broadcom, Aces, Breakout, DocuSign, Matson, Apple rises in buy ranges. Stocks opened in the red, then turned mixed Friday as market responded to a disappointing monthly payroll report. Broadcom broke out past a buy point, boosted by a strong quarterly report. Earnings also sent leaderboard stock DocuSign sharply higher in its buy range. Apple decisively regained its lead. The Dow Jones today also moving higher in a buy range. Oh, hello, what's all that about? Get out of the screen, you. XOS just pushed up again. Okay. XOS. Okay, there we go. I'm looking to get out of it because I don't understand it. I don't know what it is, and I can't watch too many things. Oh, there we go. Right. I'm looking to make a sale at any time soon. And I will buy some Carnival, or I will buy Virgin Galactic's not improved doing anything. Advaxis is just pretty much staying there. NRXP, yeah, okay. So what we're looking to do. Oh, there we go. Look at that. That's a nice little pop now. XOS up 5.5% today. And it keeps going. What does that mean, Ken? What do you think that means? Because we only IPO'd here on August 19th. This could be its first. Well, it's had a pop here, but all that it popped, it dropped, it popped, it dropped. XOS up today. Yeah, I'm just getting alerts on my iPhone for it as well. Okay. It means that I would out 734 on it. You'd put a stop loss on it, would you? You'd put a 734 stop on it, would you? Yeah. All right. I said I'd sell it at 4%. 4% I'm happy with. Done. Okay. Okay, I just sold XOS. Okay, I go to my portfolio. There's 450. There we go. Back over to Carnival. It's continuing to drop. 22. I bought in at 22.92. It's now 22.70. I sold at 23. No, 24. So I sold at 24. So I'm nearly $1.50 below what I sold at, which is pretty good. I bought originally at I bought a lot of my shares at 1976. 1976. So I sold 2, made $4. It counts. It counts. You're not following me, are you, John? Don't ever do that, mate. Yeah, it's a profit, right? It's a profit, and simple as that. Right. So now I've got some free money. I'm waiting to get back into Carnival. Right, we're gonna end the show shortly because I need a break. The XOS, I'll just keep that on the back burner. I'm not in it now, so I'm not going to be in it again until it falls back down again. Because looking at this, looking at the chart, it could drop back again. So you know, that's fine. I'll wait for it to drop back again and I'll do it again. But for now, I'm out of that. Virgin Galactic, I don't think that's going to drop any more today. We're getting late in the day now, nearly 20 to 12 East Central Time. I think we're not going to get any lower, so I can't really buy any more. I don't want to buy any more, or do I? Actually, or do I? Where do I see the greater potential? Carnival, or, a bit of both really. To spread my cost, I wouldn't want everything to be in Virgin, especially now with the delays. There could be some extra time there. Let's see if Carnival would be a better investment. What have I got in my buying power now? I now have some money. I have $452. So I could watch Carnival get a bit lower. $1 goes to the government, 25%. Yeah, that's right. I mean, in my case, it's 20%. Not 25. 20% goes to the government, but that's fine. You still got profit, right? You only get taxed on your profit. You still made profit. What's the pack of Skittles? That's a pack of Skittles you can buy. But remember, every time you trade like this, you're learning more, and you're learning more about the stock. You're learning its patterns. Next time you might go, okay, I can see what that does and see the timing it's involved. This time I'm going to buy $1,000 worth of shares, and $1,000 goes up 5%, and then it's a different ball game. You make $50 now. You can buy lots of Skittles. You can buy a whole box. What is XOS doing now? Oh, it's continued to go up. There we go. We missed out there on an opportunity, guys. Where did I sell it? I just sold it at 736. Oh, 744. Just as I sold it, it went up. Look at that, blimey. Actually, I lost $1. Oh, did you? I didn't. No, I didn't. I didn't at all. I bought in at 704 and I sold at 736. I think I made about $12, something like that. How could you lose $1, John? What are you doing? What's going on with you? Brokerage fees. Ugh. That's why I love Robinhood, and it's such a shame you can't get it in Canada. It is coming, though. Canada will be the first country to get it because Robinhood's expanding to the world, so they are getting it. And I can't wait to give you my free stock. Where are ARC's management fees? Advaxis, is that a question? I heard they're high. Oh, what ARCs? It depends. There's lots of different ARCs. ARC management have lots of different ETFs. It depends which one you get. I've got several ETFs from ARC Invest. It depends which ETF you buy into. I've got about 10 different ARC Invest ETFs. I'm looking to get back into this. You're stuck holding 300 shares of RMR, $11,000. XOS. So it wasn't necessarily that bad. XOS, you can't tell. It's just dropped back a bit now. Down 1,200 at the moment. That's a bit like my Virgin Galactic. I'm down nearly $1,500 at the moment. Remember, there you go. XOS dropped back again. See, that wasn't necessarily a bad thing. We could have peaked a bit more, but it's immaterial, really. Virgin Galactic. All right, so I'm going to close out the show now. I need to take a break. Getting pretty tired, guys. I've never done it. Was it 8, 9, 10, 3, 4-hour show? Bloody hell. Has anyone ever done a 4-hour show on YouTube? 4 hours. Brilliant. If there was 100 here, we'd have 400 hours of watch time. Coffee, yeah. Gonna go and get a cup of coffee. I could just keep the show running all day long. Just keep it running all day long. Would anybody see it? Would anyone just leave it going? If I walked away and just left the trading screen on, I don't know. What would be an interesting screen to put on? I don't know. My main portfolio. I don't know. And just zoom in on that and leave that on the screen like that and just disappear and leave it going all day. Right, in the past hour, you could. I'd leave it on. Yeah, but people come into your show, a fish tank, you know. People come into your show and they're like, I don't know, they might unsubscribe and go, I'm not following this. This is ridiculous. You know, you've got to be very careful with YouTube. You got to like provide quality content. It's why I'm sitting here working. I'm looking at different things. I'm not just, you got to respect your audience and just disappear. I don't know. Tempting though, isn't it? Just leave it going. If you all just left your phones running or your computers running, just leave it running 24/7. But yeah, there's no point doing that. I want quality content. I want to do it properly. NRXP slightly up. Look now. All right. We're out with that now. No way I can get back in there for a while. Virgin Galactic, nothing I could do there. If it pops throughout the day, of course I will sell something throughout the day. Carnival, there we go. See, it's hit some resistance now. What was that? It was 2270, 2078. What's my buying power again? 400, yeah, 400. 400. I sold at 22. Sale. I sold at 24 just about. Is Carnival going to go any lower? There's a lot of people waiting to buy in. And Vax is oscillating. I still think it'll go up, but that's a thin statement. Yeah. 400. I'm going to invest $400 either in Carnival or Space, Virgin Galactic. I'm going to do it in Carnival. Oh, it's just taking a little downturn again. I still think Carnival has room to drop. Yeah. All right, Ken. I'll leave it. Look, it's set there. Look, I've got $400 to invest in Carnival. In fact, shares wise, what have I got? So shares wise, buy. So 17 shares. 17 shares. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. I've got 17 shares just sat there, ready to buy. It might go up. I might miss out on that. If it does, it does. But, yeah, I don't think it's good to trade when you're tired. You need to take a break. I need to take a break. You're going to make silly decisions. It's not a good thing to do. I'm going to leave that there. That's we want value. We want bargains. We want deals. Let's get Carnival to 20 or 19, and then let's buy in there. Let's let it drop even more. And if it doesn't, you miss out. So what? I'll keep the money in my pocket. I'm earning 0.5% interest on the money with Robinhood anyway. And then something else might come up. But if you're tired and you buy something, you're not ready for it, you make bad decisions, and you think, why did I do that? And it's best not to do it. So I want to thank ever so much everyone today. We've done it. We broke 1,000 subscribers. Huge achievement. Let's refresh it. I doubt if it will show because it only shows every 10 now. There we go. 1,000 subscribers. Absolutely brilliant. Thank you ever so much, everybody. Really great. Thank you ever so much for this. It's huge achievement in such a short time. Such a short time. Incredible achievement. So I'm going to keep my eye on Carnival today. That's what I'm looking at. And I'm going to end the show. So it just leaves me to say it is a milestone. It is a huge milestone. Right, we are back this afternoon for closing bell. Very important closing bell, of course, because it goes into the long weekend. There'll be some sell-offs. We've learned that from Kenneth. There will be a lot of sell-offs this afternoon. So join me back for this afternoon. Of course, then we're not here for Monday. We're back again on Tuesday for the opening bell. I will be here on Monday, though, for the music show, as always. And I will be back today with the music show, of course. But Thank you very much for joining me. God bless America. God save the Queen. Take care of yourselves and each other.